All right, thank you everyone. We will start in 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Let's wait until everyone join. Can you hear me well?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
I
You got
had
some
to go.
waiting room?
I had to go get another venti coffee for this call because I figured I
Mhm.
gonna need
I
it.
can't show my latte art, but we got a good one
Oh,
right now.
it's yeah, no,
You,
it's good. I
you
see
kind of
it.
see it. Yep.
Job.
That's how ready I am.
My
And
latte art is scan my code. Starbucks.
If we have any coffee lovers in here, I just started a new Instagram account. It's called Limitless period espresso. If you want to follow me, I post it on it every day, whether it's good art or bad.
I promised everyone on the reel we did, Brian, that I will shave my beard, but I just like uploaded the version. So next
Wait,
webinar I will
what?
shave my beard. I
Oh,
didn't
the
like shave
beard.
my beard.
Say you didn't
Yeah,
shave.
yeah, I tried, but I just like uploaded the last version.
He just got
I
more important
Time.
things to do than shave.
I wanted to upload the vacation mode. Sorry, spoiler, but I wanted to upload the vacation mode, so this is the last thing I did right now, and now we have vacation mode available.
That's insane.
We're at 95 attendees. Are we going to break 100?
Well, sure.
Give it another couple minutes.
Let's, yeah, 3 more minutes. Let's wait until everyone joins. So this webinar will be for the launch of MSP inventory, and I will explain everything about it. I will explain what deadline we had, why we did it so fast, and they literally changed our plans. So I will explain everything, and then by the end of the call, we are going to do huge giveaway. Now I open the list because it's a list of giveaways. It's not a single giveaway. The total value is above $4,000. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 giveaways. It's amazing. So by the end of the call, after we will show MSP inventory, we will show everything. Then we will do the big giveaway, and it will be fun. And I hope that you will love MSP inventory. So let's wait 2 more minutes, and then we will start. I should play a song, but I don't think like in 1 minute we will we will be able to hear the song. Hi everyone. In the meantime, I will prepare everything. We will have a little hard time to show you the full like catalog and the details because it's like private data, but I will find a way to show you everything. So it will be good. I don't know about you, I'm excited. This tool is game changer. Okay. Oh, Tracy and Brian, you are on mute. Sorry.
Yeah,
So
I
you,
just noticed
you
that.
couldn't hear me praising you. I said it's so good. I'm like, you guys are not gonna believe it. It's so fast. Like it really like all of your processes are going to be faster because of this, which anytime you can do things faster, it's money in your pocket because it's less time you're spending on that and more time you can spend on other things.
I mean, above and beyond saving time, the amount of frustrations you can save yourself.
Yeah, 100%.
Walmart's a tricky platform, and if there's any way to like reduce any type of stress or irritation, which comes with the platform naturally, I'm excited about. But number one thing I'm excited about, honestly, is the reimbursement stuff. This has been something that I have actually tried to kind of like explore developing myself over the years, and well, last year I should say, and I'm super excited about it. I think it's probably one of the coolest things of all of it. Not to mention the rest of it, but that's my number one. Yeah, reimbursement is huge. 25% reimbursement costs you're going to save with that. We'll get into all that.
Yeah, we will explain everything, what's available right now, what we have, and what we are going to do. So I will start with a short overview, like 5 minutes overview about MSP for anyone that it's their first time here. So 120 attendees, thank you very much. We truly appreciate it. Thank you for your time and joining this amazing webinar with us. As I said when we started, this is a launch webinar. So usually we have like a weekly training. This specific webinar will be a launch webinar because we just launched MSP inventory. So we'll go through it, we will explain what we got, and then we are going to have a huge giveaway, more than $4,000 giveaway, thanks to everyone here. So we'll do this fun giveaway, and also we will show MSP inventory, and we will tell you some spoilers. Okay. So first of all, let's start with a quick overview. So Multiseller Pro is a community tool. That means that this tool is designed by the community. We have more than 700 people in the Discord and the Facebook communities, and we designed the tool together. So Multiseller Pro divides into two, Influencer Pro and Seller Pro. Influencer Pro is for AIP, Amazon Influencer Program, and the Seller Pro is everything you need to sell on Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. So I say everything because truly we have crazy amount of features, crazy amount of tools, and it's all thanks to the community because they ask for something and we add it. As simple as that. And if something is not there yet, you just type it in the Discord channel or the Facebook community. Let me show you how it looks like. So you go to this channel and you just type in whatever you want us to add, and we will add it. Simple as that. In our weekly webinars, we go through the stuff that we have. So for example, for Seller Pro, we have all the sourcing methods that you can think of. We solved the ungating issue on Amazon. We find brands that you can sell automatically. We ungate you. We do many great stuff. We have live sourcing that you can scan on websites. We have reverse sourcing, storefront stocking, and storefront sourcing. This is something new. It finds storefronts for you. We have wholesale, Amazon to Amazon flips, Chrome extension, mobile app. Again, we have everything you need, and all the tools are multi-platform. So our mobile app and Chrome extension, for example, is for Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. On the top, you have switch. Easy as that. You just click and you switch to the other marketplace. Same for the storefront stocking, the wholesale, the live scan. Everything works for all platforms. So as you can see on this dashboard, we have mainly sourcing and analyzing calculators and stuff. One thing is missing on this dashboard. And today, we made it. It's not missing anymore. And this is inventory tool. So today we launched MSP inventory, and basically now you have everything on MSP. And again, if something is missing, like small feature here and there, you just send us a message or on the community and we will do it. But now we have MSP inventory. And today we are going to launch it, and I will go through what we have here. And if you have any question, feel free to ask, and I will be happy to answer. We can answer by the end. If you have something like, you can type in the chat, and I'm sure Brian and Tracy will answer. I want to tell you a little story before we start. So 3 weeks ago, we applied to be solution provider for Walmart. And Walmart told us, hey, you have 2 weeks to launch MSP inventory. But we planned to start with reports. So we planned to import your catalog and just give you reports. And Walmart told us, no, in 2 weeks, you're going to launch MSP inventory fully. Everything. So catalog, batches, shipments, seller fulfills WFS, creating new listings, returns, reports, reimbursements, everything. And you have only 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, we did a marathon. 2 weeks, we made MSP inventory and we had a test and we passed the test. Now, if you will go to the solution provider on Walmart, you will find Multiseller Pro. And then the last week, we finalized the MSP inventory because the test just shows that we use their API like the way they want. But we wanted to add some more important features. And one of them I sent in the community, it's the vacation mode, because Walmart does not have a vacation mode, so we added a vacation mode. But we got many more. So now MSP inventory is live and we have everything you need. And if you want to suggest any feature, anything to add, of course, we will add. And this version is for Walmart. So MSP inventory currently is for Walmart, but we are going to work immediately on the Amazon version as well. So if you only sell on Amazon, that's okay. Stay in the webinar because it's going to be the same process. All the stuff that I'm going to show, it will be the same process, the same data, the same reports. Everything will be the same for Amazon because our entire system works like this. If you know how to source using MSP for Amazon, you will know how to source with MSP for Walmart because everything we have is the same process for all marketplaces. Same with inventory. So stay and look, even if you sell only on Amazon, see the process because the moment we launch Amazon, it will be the same process. As you can see, if you will create a new batch, you will be able to choose seller-fulfilled WFS and coming soon FBA, FBM, or cross-list. Cross-list will also be available for eBay. So it will be Walmart now. Then in a week or two, we will announce a date for the Amazon part. And then after the Amazon part, we will announce a date for the eBay part. So this is the end goal for the inventory that you will have for all marketplaces like our sourcing tools. This is a quick intro and a little story about what we had. And now let's start. I will show you everything we got for Walmart. It's the same for Amazon. It will be the same structure, just you will have another buttons. So to access MSP inventory, you just click here on the top, you have inventory. And first of all, you will need to reconnect your account. So everyone that use our mobile app and Chrome extension, you know that we connected to your account to show you your order history, if you have the item in stock and such. You will need to reconnect with the button to be able to access everything. Now, the first thing that you will notice, it's this box above, the sync with Walmart. Now, this process happens automatically.
You should show where the settings is because it's not the one in your dashboard.
Oh, so in this version, I changed everything. This is the final version. The beta version, you're supposed to go to the settings here, but this is the final version. Everything works with the button right now. So first of all, you can see it on the top. Like here, you will have the button on the dashboard on the top. On the settings, you will have it here below, above. And in your account settings, it will be the same. It will be with the button. So everything changed, no more keys, only button. Now, this sync process will happen automatically because first time it will take a few minutes, but then it will be like very quick. And the reason is that if you do something on the Walmart side, but you didn't run through MSP, we need to sync with Walmart. So for example, if you changed the quantity or something like that, or change the price on Walmart, we need to sync. So one time it will be like 5-6 minutes to sync everything, and then we will sync only changes. This is first part. Now let's go through the real stuff. So let's go from top to bottom. We have the catalog. The catalog is pretty amazing by itself because it's not only showing the products that you got, it's more than that. So on the catalog page, you are going to see option to search by SKU, UPC, title. You will be able to select marketplaces, currently only Walmart, but soon we will have Amazon and eBay as well. You can filter by stock. You can say, show me like only published or maybe only unpublished, or maybe stuff that got errors and such. And also you can filter by why it's unpublished, why it got error. So for example, show me only the stuff that got IP. So this is one option that you can do. Also, you can filter by nodes. So you can leave nodes to each product and you will be able to filter by this, filter by price, and filter by your stock. So for example, you can say, show me only items that got seller fulfilled and WFS stock. So you can also see this. And you can do flags. So before I continue with the catalog, I want to explain something about MSP inventory. MSP inventory is very custom. You can customize it by your own SOP, your own workflow. If you will go to the settings here at the bottom, you will see that you have different boxes. The first one is cost types. Now, in the cost types, by default you will have cost price, but you can also add any kind of costs that you have. For example, prep cost. If you want, you can add anything here. Other costs and such. So all the reports, all the data will be customized using those different costs. If you will scroll down, you will also have flags. This is a way that you can mark your inventory. So for example, if you have damaged inventory, you can mark it as damaged. If you want to, for example, mark specific SKUs as like who sourced it, VA number 1, VA number 2, VA number 3, you can do flags. And again, those flags that you set right here will be used across everything. So if you are going to do inventory valuation, if you are going to do P&L, anything, you can ask for it to be by flag. So you can say, show me the amount of profit this VA done, or show me the amount of inventory valuation for products that this VA sourced, and such. Again, you can use it as you want. This is how customizable MSP inventory is. And it's colors. So it will be nice to look at the inventory like this. Custom fields. If you want to leave notes, so you can use it via initials. You can use it for maybe anything that you want. Channels, if you want to do something with repricing. If you want to say where it's located in your own warehouse. Everything, custom fields, you can just set it here. And down below is the vacation mode. Because we are on the settings, I will tell you what is the vacation mode. On Walmart, you don't have an option to do a vacation mode like Amazon. So the moment you click on start vacation mode, it will set all your seller fulfilled, all your merchant fulfilled stock to 0. The moment you're ready to go back, you click stop vacation mode and it will get your stock back to the stock it was before you started the vacation mode. So this is a quick option that we have here that you have nowhere else. Now let's go back to the catalog. So if I will go to the catalog for each product, you will have the next data. First of all, the whole table that you see is customizable. So on this table, you will be able to change the order of the columns. You will be able to sort by anything. You will be able to retire. You will be able to edit. You will see your profit and your ROI and your total fees. You will see all the details on your catalog. So you are going to open your catalog and you're going to immediately see your profit and your ROI based on your numbers. And you can do basically anything. So you can type some notes, info, you can change expiration date, add flags, change supplier, change stock. You can change the stock and it will send the update to Walmart. You can change the sell price and it will send the update to Walmart. And also you can hide columns, you can do anything. It's very customizable. Now, one thing that I want to show you about this catalog. So let's say that you just started to use MSP inventory. What about your cost price? What about all the data that you have? So on the top, you have advanced import. This advanced import allows you to upload a CSV file, and it basically will update all your fields, and you can set stuff. You don't have to do a template, just upload whatever you have, and then you will have configure stage. So you can export from Repricer, whatever it is, and just add all the items, and then we will update all the valuation, all the reports and such. And about fees, you don't have to provide fees. You have this button that shows you a backfill fees. That means that the moment you will click on this, it will start loading all the fees for all the products automatically. So just upload your cost price and then do the backfill, let it run, and you have everything updated. All the reports are ready, accurate with the P&L, everything you need. I see some questions. Let's do it per page. So also you can export the entire catalog if you want. So this button. Now let's go through some questions. and then I will continue with the other pages because trust me, the moment I'm the most excited about the reimbursements. So I want to save the best for the end. And again, after we will finish, we will do the huge giveaways over $4,000 in value. Love the vacation mode. I love it as well. It was an amazing idea from someone in the community. We said that we are going to launch MSP inventory, and someone in the community just said, "Hey, please do vacation mode." So we did. Tutorials. Yeah, we will do many tutorials. All the tutorials will be under how I use MSP. We will start record after the launch, and we will have all the tutorials to how to use it fully, etc. Yes, you have an option to retire an item. If you want to retire an item, you just scroll to the right side, and then you have actions, and here you have an option to retire the item. Would the profit also show on the merchant listing? Yep. The moment you upload your costs, you backfill the fees, all the profit will show for everything. It does not, someone asked if it shows the current buy box price. So it's not showing on the catalog, but let me write it down. So it will also show the current buy box. I will edit ASAP. Because we have the data, I will just edit.
And Ito, not to spoil anything, but that prior question about the profit on the merchant listings, you are capturing the cost of the seller fulfilled shipping when it's bought through Walmart, correct?
So if you use MSP, it will use this number, but the backfill will use estimation, not the exact.
So moving forward, not to spoil the
Exactly.
but it's there.
Exactly. If you use MSP, we capture the actual number. If you use MSP inventory, we actually capture the exact numbers and we do all the calculations by those numbers. A tutorial for MSP, yes, under how I use MSP, we will start doing everything. Andrew and Amanda, it converts from seller fulfilled to WFS. It creates new listings. I just started with the catalog. We have much more to show because if I will go here to the right side, I just went through the catalog and the vacation mode and such, but we also have batches and listings, shipments, orders, returns, and under batches and listings, you have the option to convert from seller fulfilled to WFS. And also if the product does not exist there, you will be able to create the item. I will show you this. It's mind-blowing. Yes, you can change the SKU. So to be able to change the SKU, you just upload the item again. We override the SKU. It will tell you that this is your current SKU. I will show you this in the batches. It will show you this is the current SKU, but if you change the SKU, it will update it. Zero out your stock. Yes, you can zero out your stock. We have report that shows you what you need to zero out. The moment you add item as WFS, it will tell you you have stock in seller fulfilled if you want to zero it. I will show you everything because it's only the start, like the catalog, the batches and such got everything. When you retire, yes, we capture the feed ID. I will return it like to the UI. One moment. Currently, you can only retire an item through MSP inventory. I'm not sure if they have like a delete API, like an option to delete from our tool, but I will check it out. Yes, you can buy label from MSP inventory. Let me show you everything that we have.
Yeah, you guys are jumping like 4 steps ahead, which is great because like he's already got it done. So yeah, is there anything you haven't thought of? Probably, but like I would say a vast majority of it is here. So, we'll definitely anything that's not here, we will want to hear about so that it gets built.
Yeah. And also Debbie is correct. So some stuff that works for Walmart does not work for Amazon, and we will do those adjustments, sorry. But the ideal process, if you will go to the batches, you choose FBA, choose FBM, the whole process will be as much as the same as we can do it. But small stuff that just impossible on Amazon that is possible on Walmart, we will just you will not have the option to do it, and we will tell you, of course. About prep centers, we will have another option for like sub users and prep center and such, and we will have like a custom solution for this as well. API, yes, we are working on API as well. Okay, so last question, and then we will keep going. So about the labels, I will show you on the shipments and on the orders, but it will be like Walmart. You will purchase the labels from Walmart, but you will do the order from us. So let me show you how it looks like. So for the batches and listings, I am super excited about it. Let me show you. So batches, if I will scroll down, I can start a new batch, and I need to choose WFS or SF. I will start with seller fulfilled because I want to show you how easy is that. And then when I go to WFS, I will show you that it's the same. So let's start. The moment I will click on seller fulfilled, I need to give it a name, or I can use buy list. So we already have full integration between MSP inventory and the mobile app. Already we have full integration. So the moment you add stuff to your buy list from your mobile, from the Chrome extension, you can do batch for your buy list. Buy list you added with the mobile app. And not only that, Brian, I didn't tell you this yet. I wanted to save it as a surprise, Brian, but I will show it now because it's part of the batch creation and the item listing. So if I will go to the mobile app, one moment, I will open one product, for example.
I love it when even we have spoilers to that we were held back from.
So if I will go to the mobile app, this is how the mobile app looks like. If I will click on the sell button, the same sell button that we have right now, you are going to see it will open through MSP inventory on your mobile app. It will just look like mobile app, and you will be able to upload this item from your mobile app. So if you're doing array and you want to upload your listing, you can use the sell button right here on the mobile app, and it will upload the listing seller for WFS. We have this full integration already as well. Okay, this is like a small spoiler.
Small but big, because I do everything from the phone, so try to do as much as I can from the phone anyways.
So now you can upload items, also create batches, everything you want from the phone. And again, once we launch Amazon, same stuff for Amazon as well. Okay, let's start. So currently, Walmart seller fulfilled batch. We will start. You have different options how you can add the item. You can search by title, you can use scanner and add stuff with the barcode. And of course, once you add an item, it will go back and immediately to the barcode. GTIN, item ID, SKU and such. Let me show you one example. And of course, you can import from buy list like a single product right here. And the create new listing, I want to save it to the end. So let me show you how the process looks like. You are going to scan the barcode, and it's going to show you like the only option because I just searched by name, but if it's barcode, it's going to show you the only option. And you just choose, okay, choose this product. It's going to load a few seconds. It's going to load all the data from all the sources needed. And that's it. It will show you this picture right here. Now it tells you that you need to add one more field and 4 more entries. You can scroll down and see the data that is missing and add them. So in this case, it's key features and material. You can add them, but you don't have to. Because if I will scroll to the top, you have this button, fill missing with AI. So everything that's filled automatically, beside those 5 things, it's from Walmart. It's from Walmart themselves. But sometimes Walmart is missing data. And if you're going to click on this, 3, 2, 1, that's it. You have all the data. You are done. It will fill the country of origin. And if you want, you can basically like search here. If you do it manually, it's searchable. It also save the last option you chose, but fill with AI will fill it as well. Now, for the SKU, if you will click here on the SKU builder settings, you can build your own SKU builder. So you can have all the data, item ID, UPC, GTIN, sell price, cost price, expiration date, supplier, all the custom fields, the cost, the fields, the flags. So for example, let's do VA, let's do dot between them, and let's save it as, for example, RA SKU pattern. So I can use this RA SKU pattern every time. Now it will save this thing for me. I'm going to click on save. And the moment I add more details, it will upload everything that I need. And that's it. Now I will type in my data. So for example, I want to ship in 3 units. Let's do 14, just for example. And it will show you the entire fees, profit, ROI, total cost, total sale, total fee, total profit. You can type in your supplier right here. Expiration date. Fagler does not have expiration date yet, but you can type in expiration date right here. And if you will click on fee settings, you can define the different additional fees like sales tax, inbound shipping, fulfillment cost. Again, inbound shipping and fulfillment cost will be populated with the exact number once you buy the labels through MSP. And it will show you the profit and the ROI, everything you need to know. So you type in your supplier, you type in your expiration date, but what I can see here.
Wait, hey, time out. First of all, you moved the quantity and stuff up, didn't you?
Yeah.
I was gonna tell you to do that, and you like read my mind. That's crazy.
Yeah, I went on a call with Brian and he said, yo, Ido, why I need to scroll that much? So I said,
Yeah.
okay. So you got everything here, estimated profit ROI, everything is here. And again, all the settings right here, you don't have to pull it from anywhere, just type it here. Now, here you have your custom costs, custom flags, custom fields that you can set. For example, VA number 2 sourced it for me. So I just click on VA number 2 and that's it. Prep cost $1 per unit. And basically it will calculate everything for you. So
So I
all is
messed
good.
you up because you were going to talk about the repricer integration.
Yeah. So I just wanted to do like those different flags. I wanted to scroll up and show you that it changed the SKU by the values that I did. So you don't have like to type the SKU, just set your builder settings, scroll down, do whatever you want, and it will update the SKU for you. Okay. You see this button right here? Show repricer integration. So if you will click on show repricer integration, bang, you have flash pricer integration. So while you're creating your batch, you just add this item, min, max, your strategy, add row, that's it. We send it to flash pricer, you don't have to do anything. So the moment you add your batch, you have all the settings, the expiration date, supplier, everything you need for your reports. Then you have full integration with repricer that will automatically upload your repricer settings. And you can do min, max, strategy, everything from here. You don't have to leave this page. You just stay on MSP inventory.
And Ido, you said the minute that I add it, you send it to Flash Pricer.
So I add it to a file that they read every sometime. So
Every so often, yeah.
yeah.
That's guys, that's huge. That's inventory lab for Amazon to seller snap huge. Like that's huge.
And not to mention, having this is like giving Flash Pricer an entire app because not only can you do this here where he's in MSP inventory, this is all completely accessible from the mobile app. You don't have to go anywhere but the mobile app or even MSP inventory here. So it's literally like having an app for Flash Pricer.
Exactly. Okay, so I did my costs, I did everything. Scroll down if you want to just make sure, verify the weight, verify dimensions, look at all the stuff. Add to batch, that's it. Now from the right side, you will see your batch. And this is something really cool. First of all, if you want to edit, so for example, I forgot to change my sell price, I can just click on this, change to 20, save. I don't have to upload the item again, just click on the stuff that you want to edit. Click on this on the price, click on the quantity. You can also click on the SKU if you want to edit SKU. Everything is clickable, everything is editable. Now I want to show you something. You see this print button? The moment you will click on print button, it will download the labels for you for the amount of quantity that you entered. So now I have 14 labels. This is one thing. Now, if I have multiple items and I want to print all labels, I just need to click on this, print all labels. It will show me all the items. I can generate only the expiry labels. I don't have to do anything, or I can just generate everything and I will just have everything here. As you can see, I have everything, include expiry date. It's right here.
And guys,
Okay.
like I did a pretty decent sized shipment in this yesterday. I have never created a shipment in any software for any platform as fast as I was able to create the one inside of MSP. It was lightning fast when it searched for the items, um, adding that AI stuff super fast. I entered all my buy costs and everything, quantities, and I had to scroll because I was like, oh, I need to tell Ito to move that to the top, but I scrolled on every single one and like literally minutes, I had the shipment ready to go. It was so incredible.
And before you go on to the next thing, the labels, the other labels, those are there as well. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the screen when you're doing that. The SKU
So
labels.
I didn't add them yet, but I will
Okay,
add.
gotcha. Well,
So
for anybody that doesn't know, you can go to the extension and also print other labels such as like fragile items and do not separate stickers and
So it looks like this. Let me show you how it looks like, and we will add it to the inventory as well. So if we will go to the extension and we scroll down, you have print other. The moment you click on this, you will be able to print other type of labels. Warning, set, fragile, and such.
and while you're here, might as well just show where the flash pricer is on this while you're in that screen right there. You
Yep.
just scroll to the bottom. And this is the same on the mobile app as it is the PC.
Mhm. I saw a question about sync. If you had items through Walmart, it will sync automatically. On the main page, you have like sync, and then it says like 20 minutes ago. If you want, you can just click on this and it will sync again. But it will sync automatically every once in a while. Okay, so batches. I added all the batches, all the items that I want. I also have batch profit summary. So total cost, estimated profit, estimated ROI. So I know the exact numbers for my batch. Then you will see that everything is in queued mode. Again, batch profit summary, everything I show you, we have profits, we will have profit summary as well for Amazon. So if you just have Amazon, everything will be quite the same, all the data points, the structure and such. Some small changes we must have, but it's the same idea. So now you will see that everything is in queued mode. So it's not, we didn't send it to Walmart just yet. We want you to build the batch, and then after you're done, you're going to click on add to catalog. Let me change to 1 unit. The moment you are going to click on add to catalog, it's going to send the item to Walmart. Now, currently it's in processing status. You don't have to stay on this page. You can close the page and check it later. Sometimes Walmart will process the item in 1 minute, in 30 seconds, and sometimes Walmart will take an hour. So you can leave this page and check after a while and see if it's processed. So the moment you will open the page, you will see, like this example, processed. And now you are good to go. The moment it's processed, it will update your quantity. So now you will have one in stock for $20. This is for seller fulfilled. For WFS, it's a little bit different. Let's go to WFS. So it's the
Hey,
same
Ito,
process. Yeah.
sorry. Just a quick question on that. So you have all that like profitability information. Once you finish the shipment, does that get saved somewhere against the shipment so that you can go back and look at it? Is it just like you open the shipment up and it's there? I'm just kind of wondering um, if there's a way to kind of, I don't know, look at your batches over time and profitability.
So
But never
the
mind. We can talk later. It's fine.
so the batches will stay open. Like these batches, if you will go to your batches, you can reopen the batches from the history
Okay,
and look at it.
perfect.
But you know what? It will be funny. I want to check it live. So I don't know if the batch will update. Let's make sure together. So now I'm doing like a simulation with you together. Let's see how it goes. So let's say that now I did the shipment and I got the actual fee. So not an estimated fulfillment cost by but the actual numbers. So currently the estimation is $5. And let's say for this simulation that now I did a shipment, I have two screens. So on this screen, I'm doing all the magic stuff. So let's say that I did a real shipping now, and now I'm actually had the actual shipping label. So let's see if it will update. One moment. So let's say that now it was 664, just for an example. Now I did my shipping and I actually got my actual shipping cost. So on the catalog, it will update. On the P&L reports, on the inventory valuation, everything, your fees will updated the moment you buy the actual label. I will show you how to buy a label in a moment. But let's see if on the batches it will update as well. So it was 5, and no. So I need to make this update as well because currently it's like a snapshot. But if I will go to the catalog, it will show you like the 6 and something. I will make the batches to also show you the updated fees. So you will be able to go back to your batches as well. And also in the inventory valuation and such, you will be able to see the updated fees, but it's another place to double check. Okay, so we're done with the seller fulfilled. Are you ready to go through the WFS? It's crazy simple. So for the WFS, I will click on the WFS right here, and I need to choose a batch, import from buy list, whatever it is. Now, I need to type in the product, and there are a few different notes that I want to show you. Beside that, everything the same. And then I want to show you how you can create new items. So it will load all the data, same as before. And you will see that now we have a little bit more missing fields, but you can click on fill with missing with AI, same process, 3, 2, 1, everything is filled. Now this item will be WFS eligible. Nothing to do. It's the same process. We do everything for you. You add to batch and you add to catalog. So one moment, let me type in some numbers. Let's do like this, target, etc. Let's say that we want to send 16 units of these and add to batch. So now it will add this item to the WFS batch. Something is different here. You will see, first of all, now we will process some stuff in the backend. It takes a few moments, but let me show you a bigger batch that we already processed. One moment, I will load the batch. And again, it's the same process if you are going to do WFS, if you're going to do a seller fulfilled, you have a few different nodes. So let's go with this one. So the different stuff is the show shipment preview. Now for WFS, it's a bit different. Seller fulfilled, you send the item to the customer the moment they order from you. WFS, you need to send the items to Walmart. So you will need to ship the item to Walmart, and they have some different shipment plans. They have the ITS, which they will do the distribution for you. And the other option is that you will do the distribution yourself. You will do split shipments. The ITS cost fee and the split shipments is a bit messy. You only know after you do everything what is the split shipment. So here is the difference. you can click on Show Shipment Preview. Now, the moment you will click on this, it will generate the pack details, will make sure that you have all the data that you need. And then it will show you what is the expected shipment split. One moment. I think I have some slowness in my Wi-Fi.
While you're doing that, Ito, I answered this in the chat, but a little bit of confusion, the terminology batch. So a batch is just basically a group of products that you want to get listed. So you come home from doing RA, you have a trunk full of inventory, you want to list that. You create a batch of like inventory I bought on 7/29/2026. And then you just go and you can scan your product, add your buy details. Where did you buy it? How much did you pay? What are the quantity? And if you're doing a seller fulfilled batch, when you send all that over to Walmart, it's going to make that quantity active in your catalog for people to buy. When you're doing a WFS batch, that is step one to get your product to Walmart. Step two is actually the shipment part, which we'll show here in a little bit. So it's just like how you're grouping your products. More important probably for WFS than really seller fulfilled. So just think of seller fulfilled as like, oh, it's just this group of stuff I'm listing right now. Okay. For WFS, it's like, this is the group of stuff I want to ship in tomorrow. So I've got to get it done. Hopefully that's helpful.
So now here, the additional difference I want to show you is the add to catalog. Now here it will do the same process, checking, processing, processed, the same process, but here it will not change your quantity because the next step will go to the shipments page. So those are the two differences. I will go to the shipments page. First, I want to finish with the batches part. And then I will go to the shipments page. So shop SIP review, you're going to tell like the ship quantity, case pack and such, continue to preview, and it will just make sure about the return address. And then you will have two options. It will show you while you create the batch. You don't have to complete the shipments. You are not going to complete the shipments right here. You're just going to see what the shipment split will be like. So while you create the batch, you can actually just start packing on the right boxes. And it will show you the exact split shipment, how many units per box, per location. You can also click on view full report, choose self-split shipment, print PDF, and it will show you the split shipment. So while you create a WFS batch, you will be able to see the ITS cost and the self-shipment with all the locations. So now I will add another item and I will see the shipment preview for the two items and such. So this is a new button since the beta. Nothing is created. It's only like showing you a preview.
And another key thing here, guys, and someone asked the question in the chat, is unlike some other softwares that have tried to do Walmart shipping and such, while you're working on the batch, so let's say like you get to the end of the day, but you're not really done, like you can add that stuff to the catalog and have it process that stuff overnight and create those WFS listings. And then tomorrow you can add additional things to the catalog. So the batch isn't finished until you basically move it into the shipment category. And there is no other software out there that lets you do that. Usually it's forced, like once you click a next button, you're done. So really very cool. So you can delete something if something's like say something goes to the non-sortable location because it's oversized, you can pull that out of the shipment by hitting the delete button. So there's lots of flexibility, especially as you look at those like shipping options. If you're like, ooh, this one item's throwing everything off, well, you can just remove it from this batch and deal with it later.
Exactly. Now, before I go to the shipments, which is the other part, I want to show you what happens when the item does not exist on Walmart. So sometimes Walmart will not have an item, and we have an option to create new items in a moment. So it will be the same process you just found a cool item and you want to add the item to your catalog. So you are going to search by SKU, whatever it is, but it says not found. So sometimes it will happen that it will say like this product not found, and that's okay. Let me show you why. One moment, I want to find a product for you that does not exist on Walmart, so I will show you the process. Let's take this product. So this product exists on Amazon. It's amazing, but unfortunately, it does not exist on Walmart. Now I
Oh,
have
darn it.
Ito. Ito. Tracy.
It's the cat.
Tracy. It's kind of an inside joke, but this is not the first time we've seen the cat.
This is Ito's favorite product.
Ito.
we went on a demo, on like beta demo, and I just searched for something that does not exist. And I don't know, I searched for pillow and I saw this and I say like I searched on Walmart and it was a must. So we got this item. If you will try to search it on Walmart, you will not find it. You can try to search it by UPC, by names. It's just not there. So now I have two options. I will click on create new listing and I will have three options. The first option is to provide a product name and description. So it will be a longer process. So why it will be a longer process? Because you will need to also provide an initial photo. And some of the data you will need to make sure that it's correct. So for example, if I will just for the name, I will just give like Chubby's TP Cat pillow. So we will not have much context. If you will give everything and the brand name and such, we will have more context. So the more data you provide in the product name and description, the more data you will provide, the more we can work with. So UPC is the best in my opinion, but you can also provide product name description, and then you will have an extra step to just upload your first photo, and then you can create your whole photo set. The shortest way is to use the UPC. Now let me show you how the UPC looks like. So you are going to add the UPC right here, and now it will take the data from Amazon. If it exists, it will rewrite the description because you cannot use the exact brand data. So we are going to rewrite the description and all the stuff for you. And we are going to pull the photos from Amazon. Now you cannot keep the photos as well. So we have Photo Studio. And again, guys, it's only the batches and listings. We didn't go through the shipments order and all the amazing stuff that this is the mind blowing in my opinion. So I will try to make it fast. I don't want to, like the last webinar we had, it was 4 hours. I don't want to take too much from your time. I will show you quickly the photo studio. So here you will see all the photos that you had. You can delete and choose the photo that you want to work with. Now in this point, you can just give prompts. So for example, I can choose for this one, make a kid holding it. So for example, if I don't want to use this photo and I want to say, make a kid holding it, I can just type like kid holding it, generate and such. If I have a grocery item, I can just type, make a 3-pack listing, and it will generate an image with 3-pack. If you're doing bundles,
3 times is terrifying.
I will try to find the photo for the 3-pack. So this is an example for the kid. This is the result, and it's already added right here.
It's amazing.
Now I can say, let's delete it. I can say, make it a 3-pack product photo. And if I'm selling multi-pack, I can create a listing for multi-pack. I just need to provide an initial image, initial photo, and it will generate a 3-pack photo. If I'm doing bundles, I can provide like one photo that just like contains all the different products and say, make it nice, make it like a bundle. You can do anything right here. And it takes around 20 seconds. And this is the 3-pack cat pillow. Brian, Tracy, you want to bite with me?
No.
So that's it. And now after you've done this step, it's the same process. The exact same process. You just verify, yes, this is a stuffed animal plush toy. Okay, next. It's the same process you're going to add to catalog. It's going to fetch all the data. It will alert you if you didn't change the Amazon photo. So I still use the first Amazon photo. It will alert me and I can click on edit photos and I can change the photo again. And I can edit the title. I can edit anything that I want. Again, fill missing with AI, and that's it. So this is about creating new items.
Can we get a little bit of hype in the chat and just drop a one if you guys are excited about this? I know
I
you
can't
guys have
keep
been
up with
saying,
the
wow,
chat. What are you
crazy.
talking about? Don't, no.
You got a lot of ones in the chat. I think they like it.
Yeah.
You just got about 100 ones.
Shipments. This is for WFS shipments. The seller fulfilled shipments is in orders. So WFS shipments or FBA in the future. We will have another box say FBA shipments. So currently we have WFS from a batch or from catalog. Let's select from a batch. You just select the items. Very simple, the same process that I showed you before. Continue, it will pull all the data, return address, everything that we need, and it will generate a preview. You just choose ITS or self-shipment, confirm and continue, you can create your shipment. Now, if I will go back, I want to show you one more thing. You can print here the same report that I showed you with the entire PDF with the split shipment, but let's not print it yet because the best thing is now. Let's say that I chose the self-shipment, I confirm and continue. Now I will actually create the shipment on Walmart. I'm just clicking on this and it will create the shipment. Now it will show you this box right here, show you a full report. And now I can view full report here on the top right. But I can also, if I want the full report with all like the PDF, I can use this. But I can also do start packing. So I click on start packing and now it will focus on the scanner. So I will just start packing now. I will put stuff in the box, I will scan the barcode and it will mark the item. You can see I scanned this UPC, it marked the item. Oops, I'm scanning again the item and I'm going to upload the same item again. Let me share the sound. I want you to hear it. Oops, I scanned the item again. It's already in the box. I should not put it in the same box. So you scan the UPC? No, you can load it again. You're going to pack everything, continue to label and shipments and shipping. So the moment I'm going to click on continue, it will show me an option to print all the receiving labels, to get quote for all the shipments. I can choose if I want to ship it myself. If I want to use Walmart to ship it, it will give me the quote from Walmart. I will print the receiving label. I will print the carrier label. I can bulk print everything. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it for creating shipments for WFS. Now, what about products that we just got orders from? It will show here. So the WFS will be read-only. If I will go to the WFS tab, it will show you what we got. But if I will go to the seller fulfilled, it will be very cool. It will show you all the orders that you got for seller fulfilled. And then the moment you click on the order, you will have a pop-up that shows you the item. And you have two options. Let Walmart arrange it, or if you want to just provide a tracking number. If you choose Walmart to arrange the shipping to the by label through them, it will add all the details, the shipping address from to, it will add everything, and you can choose add-ons if you want to do add-ons. It will ask you what is the box dimensions. You can save custom box dimensions. So if you usually ship in 664, you can save it and you just need to do the weight. And it will also save the SKU quantity presets. So if, for example, I shipped one Fugler and it was 664 and half a pound, the moment I will open another order again at the same settings, it will load again the boxes. Then I click next, it shows me the labels, the option, the carriers, FedEx, etc. I choose, print, send. Everything in one place. You don't have to click on stuff, open stuff. The whole process to ship, buy label, everything is right here. I cannot show you this because these orders are real, but this is the process. Tracy
Yeah,
can.
so let me speak to this one because I was showing like I have a team of people that work for me. They do my seller fulfilled. And a couple of things about this seller fulfilled specifically that I think is going to, man, game changer like comes to mind, but like it really is, it's more efficient and it's going to end up, I think, saving you money. And here's why. You don't have to do a lot, whether you're using the old style of seller fulfilled or the new pages in Seller Center. Both of them require a lot of extra clicks that this does not. You're going to click on the item. If you need to acknowledge it, you'll hit acknowledge, and then immediately it pops up and you're able to ship it. You enter your shipping information, and it's going to show you all of your money options, like for how you want it shipped. Currently, like if you're on uh the name just left me, simplified shipping. Sometimes Walmart selects an option for you that might not be the most cost effective, and you have to click a couple of buttons to like go look at the options. Edo shows them all to you right there on the page. So you can pick your shipping option. It tells you the estimated arrival date so that you make sure you're within the parameters. You select it, you print it, and it automatically marks it shipped. So you don't have to go click another button anywhere else. So you're saving multiple button clicks. You're going to save money because you're not going to ship something for more money by accident. You're going to see all of the options available to you. All of those options are coming in from Walmart. It's Walmart preferred shipping. So you get your seller protections by using the Walmart shipping. So everything about this to me is absolutely fantastic. You can also still add additional coverages. So if you need signature confirmation or something like that for a high price item, you can do that. It is absolutely so simple. Like it's the way shipping should be. And by shipping your seller fulfilled inside of Multi-Seller Pro, Edo's going to know exactly what you paid for that label and be able to apply that into your expenses so that you really have true P&L on all of your seller fulfilled items. Yeah, there's no mark as shipped extra click. Like it audit once you say buy shipping, you print the label and you're off to the races. Like you're done. It's already like moved over into shipped and you're ready to go. Now, if you don't want it to ship that day, like that might be an issue. We might have to talk about that. But right now, like as soon as we buy our label, we know it's going out the door that day.
For
Uh,
anybody that isn't aware, the marked not if you don't mark it as shipped, it will ding your account. I was in urgent for 1 month because of a missed marked as shipped. I was on time for shipping, just not marked as shipped. So that's right. That right there is almost like a account health savior right there.
yeah.
Eh,
And the question about like buy labels in bulk, we have talked about that. It's not there yet, but we will develop it. Edo will I shouldn't say we. Edo will develop it. So like anything like that, like, but I will tell you, it's faster. It was faster today. I had 7 items that were all the same. I think I was able to ship all 7 of those inside the platform faster than I could have done it through Walmart's bulk option. Like it just was so much faster.
So,
Brittany asked about download and print labels, carrier and receiving for multiple locations. Yes, the moment you will go to your shipments, you can bulk download your entire receiving and carrier labels for all the locations with one click. So if I will go to my shipments and I will go to all shipments, then I choose my shipment. Let's say this, for example. If I add multiple like receiving labels, I click on this and it will print all. Similar to the extension thing we had. So this is about orders, very simple. You can fulfill by labels everything from here. For the returns, it will show you your entire returns. And the moment you will go to the returns, you can refund them right here. And you will be able to search by anything, just an extra place that you can do it right here.
Did I miss you talking about the WFS orders though?
The WFS orders is just like like read. It's just listing all the orders that you have.
Yeah, but I want to touch on that
Oh,
too because anybody who has moved to the new shipping section on Walmart, it's really hard to find your Walmart fulfilled orders. You have to go to like the all tab or like it's just a mess. So here it's just two tabs. Seller fulfilled, you can see what's sold. Walmart fulfilled, you can see what's sold. And I mean, like, I'm not even looking at that in Seller Center anymore. I'm just looking at it on Ito's platform. I just make sure I go in and sync my catalog before I look.
I saw a question about how to add your costs to the catalog. So if I will go to the catalog, I can just do it one by one. I have the column cost price, I can upload it there. But if I want to do it in bulk, I just gonna click on advanced import. The moment I will click on advanced import, it will be a process that you can upload a file and then it will update everything at once. This is about it. Returns, you can refund, you can see everything right there. Now, for the reports, this is a game changer. I will not show you the reports themselves, but I will talk about them. Then I will show you the reimbursements, and I think then we will have some Q&A and the $4,000+ giveaway. So for the reports, you have inventory valuation. Now, the inventory valuation will show you your entire inventory valuation. It will show you by seller fulfilled, WFS, everything, your inbound valuation. And you will have a table that you can sort by, show me what worth the most, show me what I have the most stock of. It will show you will have a place that you can sort everything and you will have a pie chart. And then you can also switch the inventory valuation to be by flag. So you can say, show me how much inventory this VA bought, for example. Restock alerts. This page will show you everything that recently got out of stock or about to get out of stock. So the moment you will go to the restock alerts, you will be able to see what you need to restock now. So the moment I will click on this, I will have a table. I can filter by amount of days left before I go out of stock, stuff that I went out of stock already, and I will be able to easily do stuff from there. Seller fulfilled not zeroed. So seller fulfilled not zeroed is very cool. It will show you your entire catalog where you have both seller fulfilled and WFS stock. So the thing that you can do now is you can just look at stuff, okay, I have 5 units seller fulfilled and also 10 units WFS. And you will have a button that says 0 seller fulfilled. Because sometimes when you convert stuff from seller fulfilled to WFS, you forget to zero the seller fulfilled. So this report will show you everything that you forgot, so you can quickly zero them.
So basically, like if you were to have stuff seller fulfilled and then ship it in WFS and you forgot to zero it out at first, because sometimes I'll leave my stock in there until it checks in hopes that I can kind of zero it out in time. But then there ends up being that overlap. As soon as WFS goes in there, now you have to zero it out and you have to use a flat file to zero it out. So this right here is going to alleviate that issue there, because then as soon as your WFS sells out, then your seller fulfilled kicks back in and you may end up with sales on items you may not have.
Okay, so if you currently try to do like stuff, settings, advanced important stuff, if you need any help, we can open a call and I can show stuff like after the webinar. But I want to show you some cool stuff before you run all the important stuff, because it will mind blow you and I don't want you to miss it. We have P&L show you the exact profit loss for every month, and then you can click on the month and it will show you each day how much money you made, what is your revenue, cost of goods, and fees and net profit, everything you need. By the way, I forgot to tell you, you can export all the reports. So on the P&L, you have this amazing bar chart with your P&L, accurate because we have all the fees. P&L contains everything for profit and loss. Sales tax. Amazing report on the sales tax. You can export monthly, quarterly, yearly, and it will give you an export with all the sales tax collected by state, also amount of sales per state. sales tax paid to the states, and also how much you sold per state. Everything is inside the sales tax. Also, we show you which state you sold the most to. So it's interesting to see.
Yeah, and guys, on that sales tax report, because if you're not doing this, you need to make sure with your state that you know whether or not you have to file that and how frequently. So in the state of Oklahoma, I have to file it monthly. I think, Brian, yours is quarterly. So you can pull this information and very quickly fill out whatever forms you need. If you are one of the people who are getting sales tax exemption in multiple states, because I know a lot of people are doing that right now because of Walmart just changed their rules. I'm going to talk about Walmart retail, not Walmart selling. So some people are getting like sales tax exemption in multiple states. You then have to know that state's rules and potentially file in each of those states. Now, this doesn't cost you money typically to file. It's just basically telling the state, I sold this much, and Walmart sent you the money because that's what Walmart does. They collect all the sales tax and they send it to the right state. So, yeah, just make sure you know what's going on with that.
Now you also have supplier report, show you how much money you made per supplier. Expiring inventory. Because we have the expiring dates for your items, we will show you what's about to get expired in this report right here. Storage report. You have stuff in your inventory that are about to be more than a year in the storage. And now you are about to pay huge storage fees. Here we tell you those items are X days, those items are about to go to the tier that cost the most, and you will be able to manage your inventory and save storage cost immediately. Now, I saw a lot of questions how you can import data out from outside MSP inventory to MSP inventory. So if I will go to the catalog and I will click on advanced import, it's one import for everything. So VQ, everything, repricer, everything you want. This is one place where you upload the export files that you get from any software, and it will update all the data that you need. Shipping costs, anything. Like upload, you will see the process. Okay, so reports, we went through everything, storage. Now reimbursements. This is very exciting. And we have three sections here. One is the inbound shortage. It will group by shipments, so it will show you per shipments how much units Walmart missing, so you can get your money back. Not yet received, it's just preparing you. Those are not yet there, and they are about to be in the inbound shortage if they will have missing, and tracked cases. Now, Tracy, am I allowed to show one example here?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. So this is okay, the one that we saw for a
Yeah.
moment?
That's fine.
So this shipment, for example, missing a few products. And it says shipping 1 received 0. How we know that this is missing? Because Walmart said the shipment is done, the shipment is closed. So sometimes it will say shipped 1 received 0. Sometimes it will say shipped 20 received 15. We have those numbers. We have the exact numbers of how many Walmart was supposed to receive and how much Walmart actually received. And they closed the case. Now it's your time to get your money back. If I will scroll to the right, you will see that you need to get $11 for this item, and for the total shipment, you need to get $800 back. And you need to get that money. Now, many reimbursement services will take 25% out of it. And as I said at the beginning, if you are here from the beginning of the webinar and you will be after the giveaway, after the $4,000 giveaway, you know already that MSP Multi-Seller Pro is a community tool. We don't charge anything that does not cost us. And this part here, it's not cost us because unfortunately Walmart does not have API. So we give you everything you need to get your money back. And we don't take percentages. So those $800 that Walmart owes you, we don't take anything from it. Everything is yours. How you do it, how you get your money back. You click on get evidence. Then it will show you this pop-up. So Walmart does not have like an API that we can send them for you. You need to open like a ticket. So we have a direct link. You click on this and it will open a link for you. Now it will generate a really, really cool report. So it will tell Walmart, okay, hey Walmart, this inbound shipment from this ID is closed, and those items are missing. Those are the amount of units I shipped. Those are the amounts of units that are short. This is the amount of money you owe me. And it will tell them all the products that they owe you. And if I will scroll down, it will say, please investigate this inbound shipment and please reimburse the money for me. I will click on copy text, I will open Seller Central, I will open a case, and I will click here. I filed it, track this case because I want to get my money back. So now I'm done. I will go to the tracked case and it will show me a summary. So for this shipment, I need to get this amount of money. I have another shipment that I did test earlier. And basically I can go back here and I can say filed, I can say resolved, and then it will tell me, hey, so totally you got using MSP's reimbursement, I got $24 back. And this way you can do your reimbursements. We give you a report of what Walmart owes you. We give you the text that you need to send to Walmart. And we allow you to track. You can also add case numbers so you can have a reference right here. So you can say this is the case number. You can have like a reference and you will have everything. You will have all the data and you will see how much money we helped you to receive back. Now for Amazon, if I'm not wrong, they have API for reimbursement, unlike Walmart. So for this part, Amazon will be better. You will not have to track the case or anything like that. We will do everything like for you. We will just tell you, okay, Amazon owed you $100. We got it in like we made a ticket, we got it back. I didn't check the full process on their API yet, but if I'm not wrong, they have API. So it will be even simpler than this one. So you got reimbursement as well? Okay, so we went through everything. Dashboards, catalog, you see your catalog, how you import data, batches and listings. You can create new batches, WFS, seller fulfilled, etc. You can create new items from scratch. So I can create my new batches, I can add all my costs, all my fees, everything will be here. And if I want to add stuff that I didn't add through MSP, I can use the advanced import. I can use any software, VQ, any repricer to upload your cost prices and such. So then after you create your items, you can create shipments for WFS. You can ship seller fulfilled orders. You can handle returns. You can have all the reports that you need, P&L, inventory valuation, and sales tax and such. And we have reimbursements. So that's MSP inventory for Walmart. As I told you, we're going to do Amazon as well, and it will be as similar as possible, same process, same pages and such. We are going to add some stuff. So already from the beta, we have a few tasks. For example, to create a separate unlisted catalog. So we are going to add unlisted catalog soon. So you can have your Walmart catalog, Amazon catalog, and unlisted catalog. It's not like that we will have the unlisted catalog. This is the first version with the catalog, batches, shipments, everything you need. We are going to make tutorials for it. We are going to have webinars about it. And we are going to improve it every day.
And
Now,
that's it. This was all super easy. We're
yeah,
gonna have
one
tons of
thing.
inventory, tons of tutorials, guys. I strongly encourage you, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. There is always somebody there that can help walk you through all of this stuff. And myself included, have no issues, making some on-demand content for anything that doesn't quite make sense.
Yeah, but Ito has to kind of slow down a little with the new features because, like, I already did the catalog, like a whole deep dive, and things have already changed. So, like, I'm gonna have to redo that. So I'm gonna like talk with him and see like when it's gonna be a little bit like steady so that we can do content. But I'll probably do a couple of live events with like slower level training in the next couple of weeks because I know it's a lot to take in. But honestly, like this is some of the most straightforward, easy to use. Like I have used multiple tools built for Walmart, and none of them were this straightforward and easy. And it's because he listens to people when they're talking about what they need. He understands like the process, and then of course we get feedback from everybody and are able to tweak things. So it's incredible what he's done in this amount of time, like has taken other companies years to try to build.
Keyword, try to build.
Yeah.
Try.
I saw some question about the communities. So we have Discord and Facebook. One moment, let me show you. So I sent the link here in the chat. There you can ask for, like, ask question, you can ask for features, anything that you want. You can ask question about the tool or in general, feel free. And if you want tutorials that we done in the past, we have how I use MSP. Here you have like specific tutorials. For example, if we talk Amazon, how to use the Ungate tools for Amazon. So Tracy done a lot of Ungate tutorials and labels for Walmart, and she done really amazing videos here. Brian did some amazing videos for the local scale, for the RA, for the AIP. So basically it's like focused tutorials, but if you want, you can go to recorded calls, and here you're gonna see the recorded webinars, which we will upload this webinar as well to the Seller Pro recorded calls. Now, this is MSP inventory for Walmart. We're going to build as well for Amazon. We have a few more updates before we start Amazon, as like the unlisted catalog and such. We are going to do it. Also, we have the AIP part. If you're doing AIP, we are going to have big update for the AIP, and it's going to launch in a week or two. So stay tuned for posts about it as well. Now, before we do Q&A and the big giveaway, so the inventory tool will be part of the unlimited plan. So if I will go to the pricing and I will go to the Seller Pro, it will be part of this plan, the MSP Unlimited. Now on this page, you will see that MSP inventory is here. So this is currently the prices, 24, 54, and 69, and the prices going to change. So in 48 hours, the price for MSP Unlimited will go up. The Pro and the beginner will stay. And the reason that we raised for the MSP Unlimited is because of the MSP inventory. And as we told through the entire journey we had together with MSP, once you sign up for a price, your price is locked for life. And I can tell you that people got MSP Unlimited for cheaper than 69, cheaper than 54. The moment we launched, the price was cheap. And everyone that signed up and been with us in the journey from day one, they got locked in with their price for life. So if you're going to sign up now, this price will be locked in for life. It's not going to raise, but in 48 hours, we are going to change the price for MSP Unlimited. And if you will go to the annually, it's even cheaper. So I really recommend you, if you're not a subscriber yet, to subscribe to MSP Unlimited to have access to MSP inventory. If you're new and you're not sure about inventory tools and such, we have the Pro and the beginner. The beginner is everything for like manual sourcing and profit calculator and such. The Pro contains all the automated stuff we have, all the ungating tool we have and such. But if you want inventory, it's for the unlimited and higher like storefront stocking limits and such.
And not to take the focus away from reseller, but we also have Influencer Pro stuff where if you do the Amazon Influencer Program, we have bundles for that as well. That's a whole nother avenue of conversation. But we do have those webinars every week. I highly encourage anybody that's not doing it currently to come join a call sometime. Maybe we can, spark some interest into making some additional revenue, especially if you're already in the e-commerce space. There's absolutely no reason that anybody in here should not be doing the Amazon Influencer Program. So that's my little tidbit about AIP. I will always push this to everybody because, again, you already have the knowledge of e-commerce. You should be doing it. And then additionally, those prices right there, you can get some better codes. There's all three of us have our own codes. If you want to reach out to any of us after the call or anything, you can save a little bit more money off of that those pricings that Ido was just giving there.
And I just sent the link in the chat for the webinar links. So some people asked me about how can I sign up ahead. I'm checking it out with currently, but currently you can just sign up. Click on the link and sign up for weeks ahead. So this is about it. About the pricing, it's one price for the entire marketplaces. So you get Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. It's one subscription for all the sourcing tool you need and all the inventory tools you need for Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. This is the goal for MSP. For anyone that has been with us from the previous webinars, this is a community tool. We keep the prices as low as we can, and we want to give as much value as we can. And because of that, all the requested features that you request, if I will scroll down here, you will see request any tool, we will work on it. Every tool that you request, we add, and it's not with additional money. For example, if you do Keepa sourcing, let's talk Amazon for a moment. If you do Keepa sourcing and you are doing Keepa product finder, someone asked if we can add MSP strategies to Keepa. It's not related to MSP, it's related to Keepa, but he wanted to have presets saved on Keepa, and we added it. So it's part of the current plans. You don't have to do anything. This is what MSP is all about. Also, they asked us to add gated status inside the Keepa product finder. Again, this tool gets better every day, and it's thanks to the community. So the moment you sign up, it's the same price for life, and you just get more and more tools over time. And
I mean, there's
so,
probably a dozen features that are worth just $69 a month just for one single feature.
yeah,
Somebody was asking about codes. Do you want to give your code? This is your call. I'll let you do your code.
so you can use IDO 30, you will get 30% off your first month or your first year. So it's a huge saving right there as well. And I saw a question about someone is already subscribed to the Influencer Pro, how they get the Seller Pro as well. So you will need to upgrade from the Influencer Pro to the bundle. If you have monthly plan, just upgrade before your subscription ended, it will upgrade you. If you have annual plan, you can send me a DM or contact Discord, Facebook, email, anything you want, and we will help you with the upgrade. I saw a question about AIP. If you can do it outside the US, you can. And I really recommend everyone to go to the links that I sent in the chat, the webinars link. In the webinars link, you can join us. We have 2 calls each week. One call is for the Seller Pro, and one call is for the Influencer Pro. And inside this link, inside those webinars, we talk about everything. We show you everything. And those are pretty amazing webinars. So I really recommend you to join those, and it's like huge fun, and we show everything that we can, and also updates.
And to answer the question about Nifty, no, this is nothing related to Nifty. Nifty's like an automation for like delisting or listing or cross-listing. That is not what this is. But it is utilized across all platforms such as Walmart, Amazon, and eBay.
Also, about tutorials and such, I saw a question about what is the best way to learn. Again, how I use MSP. If you will go to how I use MSP, this page here on the top, you will have everything you need to learn about MSP, to learn about the different features. So if I will go to how I use MSP, I have the Seller Pro tutorials, Influencer Pro tutorials, and recorded calls. So if you missed the call, you can watch it later right here.
Yeah, my biggest suggestion is like as you're watching a call, like when Ito shows a feature, because he does go fast, and I get that. When he shows a feature, pause it, go to your own computer screen and try to do what he just did, and then go watch it again, and then go try to do it again. And that's how you're going to learn how to do all the different things that you can do inside of this product.
And this wasn't live until just 2 days ago, even for us. So just give us some time and we will get as many tutorials up as possible. Again, you're going to need to do exactly what Tracy said. If things really don't work out, we can always, schedule some additional calls. But I think that for most of this stuff, we'll be able to kind of do some, what do you call it, modules per se, and get you really focused in on just one tool at a time.
And of course, feel free to send us messages in the communities. Feel free to send me a DM if something is like not working as expected. If you want to add a feature that is urgent for you, feel free to send us. This is a community tool we built. We built MSP for you, so you can contact us anytime. Don't be shy. This is what MSP is all about. And if you have any question about how to do something, you can ask, and if you have a feature request that is already exists, we will tell you this is exist. You can do it this way. So just feel free.
Hey, Ito, do you capture all of the combos? Because there's been some good like suggestions for future development in here. Do you capture all that, feed it into
So
like a clone brain?
I'm trying to read, but every time it jumps. So this is
I
why I'm
know,
looking at
I
the
know. So
screen.
I would just say like maybe if you can download the chat, there's some good stuff in there.
I will. Okay, so let's answer a few questions that I can catch in the chat. That if I see something that someone answered, I will just skip. After we will do some short Q&A, we will do the giveaway. The big giveaway, the $4,000 plus giveaway. One moment. How many clones I have?
It should be.
Lol, how many clones I have? 42. I double them every day.
For those of you that keep asking about like a course or whatever, for the inventory portion, what I'm doing on YouTube is I'm creating a series. So it'll be a playlist so that you can like go step by step by step. There's like an overview, and then it's going to go catalog, and it'll be like a whole video about just catalog going a lot slower, a lot kind of like going into like why you do this, why you do that. Then the next video will be the batches listing. So that that's going to be going up to YouTube like as soon as Ito calms down and lets me actually do the videos. And then we have some out there for Multiseller Pro, but honestly, like that product has been growing and developing so much in the last like 3 or 4 months. We probably need to go back and do it again. But we do a lot of step by steps and question and answers on our weekly calls. So every Wednesday at the same time, we have a weekly call. It's free. You can ask any question that you want. We can help you there. We have an AIP call for Multi Influencer Pro on Tuesdays. That one is at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, where we do the same thing for that tool. Um, but if you're just really, really, really lost, like reach out to one of us on Discord. We can't spend, I mean, I can't spend hours and hours and hours with you individually, which is why I do the videos. But if we just need to get you a little jump start, I'm sure we can figure out a way to make that happen.
So I try to answer some questions in the chat. And again, the MSP inventory will be part of the MSP Unlimited, which in 48 hours, this price will go up. But the moment you subscribe, it's locked in for life. If you're already subscribed, even at the lower cost, the moment you subscribe with MSP and your subscription is active, your price is locked for good. And as I said, like also MSP inventory is currently for Walmart, but will be for Amazon as well very soon. So how the P&L will have all the fees from Walmart. So if you will go to the inventory and you will go to the catalog, you can import all the cost that you have for your product, and then you can backfill all the fees. The moment you will click on this, it will use our algorithm that will fill all the fees that you had. Note that shipping costs and such, they are estimation using your fee settings. So if I will go click on backfill, it will scan the catalog and then it will have like fee settings, edit, I can set my estimations, and then it will fill all the fees. Referral fees, WFS, sales tax, inbound, and shipping. But if you use MSP, it will be the actual shipping charged. The Discord for Multi-Seller Pro and Multi-Influencer Pro, they are the same. This is the same Discord. So again, we had two links in the chat. One is the webinars, the weekly webinars that we have. I really recommend you to join multisellerpro.com/webinars. And if you want to join our communities, it's multisellerpro.com/communities. Then you have the Multi-Seller Pro and the Multi-Influencer Pro. The Discord is the same, just different channels. But the Facebook is different. It's two different Facebook groups for AIP and for Amazon, Walmart, and eBay selling. If I will go to the Discord, you will see that it's Seller Pro channels and then Influencer Pro channels. So this is the difference. If you have two accounts for Amazon, you cannot use two accounts in the same MSP account. You will need to have separate MSP account. But in general, because as I told you, MSP is a community tool, and you have a VA, you don't have to pay extra. Each user, each MSP user, you can share their account with one VA. Soon we will have sub users. So now you can just like give login, but then it will be sub user. If you are a prep center and you use MSP inventory, it will be different like the system. Okay, are you ready for the giveaways? Well, I read the chat and then I scroll and there is more. Okay. So we are going to do $4,000 giveaway. It's not going to be just one giveaway. It's going to be multiple giveaway. So we are going to have one giveaway for example, from MSP and MIP. We're going to have a few giveaways for Tracy. We're going to have giveaways from Brian, from VA Fastlane, from Flash Pricer, from Okie Dokie Distributions. And those giveaways will be amazing. So we will go one by
You forgot
one.
one. You got live free or die distribution.
Exactly. So here we will go one by one, and we will go one by one right here on the picture. And I want each one to explain what they give, and then we will do the giveaway. So, Brian, let's start with you. First of all, before we start, I want to see in the chat if you are ready for the giveaway or everyone fell asleep. Let me see in the chat.
I think they're sleeping. Come on. Free stuff.
So again, $4,000 total value of the giveaways. We are going to do some bundle unlimited, the highest plan we have for MSP. The bundle unlimited contains actually everything we got for influencers and for sellers, Amazon, Walmart, eBay, AIP. It's 98 per month or 980 per year. We are going to do also giveaways for the yearly plan. But Brian, go ahead. What are you giving away today?
Oh, I'm up. Sorry, I was just reading some comments. I guess I have to take over one of the other giveaways also. All right. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to be giving. I have three sourcing VAs. They source for Amazon and Walmart. What I'll be doing, since this is a Walmart focused call, I will be gifting 2 weeks worth of their Walmart leads to one winner. Pretty simple.
Awesome.
So
So
that
now
could
I'm
contain, roughly 3 VAs per day. That could be, anywhere from 10 to 15 leads per day for a 2 week period.
so now I'm quickly creating the list. Tracy, what are you going to give away?
I have several. So, do we do the WoW ones first?
Explain everything. I'm now taking all the
Yeah.
snapshots.
Okay. So, for WoW winning on Walmart, which is my brand for Walmart sellers, we have I have a course on selling on Walmart that goes through all of Seller Center. And that is like a $549 value, and I'm giving away 2 free courses. Then we also have a monthly leads list. There's about at least 200 leads a month. Usually it's way more than that, but a minimum of 200 leads a month for Walmart sellers. And I'm giving away 2 people for a free month of leads. And something I have never given away before, and that's a coaching call with me. So I've stopped doing coaching because it's just not even profitable for me to do it, even at the price I charge. So you're gonna get a free 30-minute coaching call, anything you want to talk about, Amazon, Walmart, AIP, eBay, whatnot, sourcing, whatever, 30 minutes with me. And then through Okie Dokie Distribution, we are giving away up to $500 off your first order, which is going to equate to $1 off an item for up to 500 items. So Okie Dokie Distribution is my new distribution business that we launched last month, where you can source name brand products that are through authentic sources, and you get all of the documentation, for example, for toys, so that you can list those on Walmart. So yeah, a lot. Because I love you guys.
Yeah, I think we are ready. So, funny note. The way we create the list is using AI and screenshots of the call. So as you can see, I gave Claude just screenshot of all the attendees. We have 138. Bummer for the 12 that left because we will do the giveaway for everyone that is here. And it created a list, and I just tell Claude, hey, please read all the names and make a big list. Now I told him to add stuff that's missing. I didn't include me, Brian Tracy, and perfect. Also, let's take out note takers. So let's take out note takers as well. And I saw that by some reason it says like goes to guest one, guest two, so just to merge them into one. And we will have the final list without note takers, without us, and let's go. So those are all the names, all the unique names that are here on this call. Are you ready?
Hopefully everybody saw their name.
All right, so Brian, yours is the first giveaway, so just tell me when.
Yeah, go right for it.
3, 2, 1.
No.
Claude knows we are doing a giveaway, so he takes its time to show us.
I was gonna say it's kind of going slow.
Like a lot of names.
Jason! Congrats.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, just reach out to me either on Discord or Instagram. My handle's the same everywhere. So,
Yeah, I'll hit you up. Thank you.
yep.
Awesome. Tracy, let's decide what order you want. Just
All
let me know
right,
when to play.
I'll let this be winner's choice. You can either have the Walmart course or 1 month of Walmart leads. So we'll still give them all away, but I'll let the first person pick.
So the first one to win have a choice. That's
They
amazing.
have a choice between the course or the 1 month of leads.
I love it.
And the course is great for VAs. I'm just kind of putting that out there too.
You fucking bitch.
Okay, so now we are going to pick another name. 3, 2, 1.
Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it?
If someone knows Claude in person, tell him to be random. Hey, Claude, can you please choose me?
No inside
Chloe.
jobs here.
Okay, Chloe, which one? Tell us in the chat, which one would you rather have? The course or the leads, Chloe?
Congrats.
Leads. Okay. All right. Chloe gets leads. Make sure you message me. All right. Next person's going to get a free Walmart course. If you don't need it, you can gift it. Give it to your VA, give it to another person trying to start on Walmart.
3, 2, 1. David.
David. Nice. Congrats.
Yay.
All right. We're going to give away one more course, Ito.
Let's go. I want everyone to write Tracy in the chat.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Who's getting the last course?
Steve.
Steve. Congrats. Great job. Next up is one more leads list winner, free leads for a month. And I said they're Walmart leads, but if you sell on Amazon, a lot of them are also great on Amazon.
3, 2, 1.
Your Claude's going to talk to his Claude. That's funny. Brittany. Congrats.
Thank you. So excited.
Congrats.
All right.
All right. Next up is a 30-minute coaching session with me. To chat about whatever you want. We can talk about dogs if you want. I love talking about my dog.
Or the cat pillows.
No, not the cat pillows. No.
That thing is going to haunt me for life.
It haunts me in my nightmares.
I believe that.
Love it.
That GIF.
Yeah, give me a gift. Give me a gift, guys. Let's go.
And the winner is
Who's gonna chat with me?
Thinking hard on this one.
building suspense.
I love the gifts. Victoria!
Victoria!
Yay!
Thank you, guys.
Oh my
Congrats.
God, some of these gifts are great.
And then my last giveaway is from the distribution company. It's up to $500 off your first order. It's $1 off per order. I will have to give you a coupon code. Okie dokie distribution. All you have to do is log in, submit your resale certificate, and you're off to the races and can view our entire catalog of items. We add items every week. And we will be adding more and more across the next year. We're just getting started. But we have both brand direct and then direct through a supplier to a lot of these brands. And we can get you all documentations. It's all authentic, any kind of invoicing you need for any of your platforms. So I would not, anything I sell on here, I would sell myself on my platforms. So just so that you know, it's like completely legit. So up to $500 off. Like I said, $1 off per item, up to 500 items. So yeah, it's pretty fun. So
And that's for anybody in here. Anybody can join that.
Anybody can join. Yeah,
yeah.
you can join. Just only one person's gonna get the up to $500 off. Yes.
3, 2, 1. And the winner is running command.
And it's on new orders,
Deliver
not existing orders. So yeah. Kelly, I think. Kelly all day.
Kelly, congrats.
Congrats.
Awesome. Tracy and Brian, thank you so much. Me and I think the entire community, thank you so much. You're very generous. We really appreciate it. And everyone, check out Okie Dokie, check out Wow Course. Talk with Brian if you're interested. In addition to just VA leads, he got amazing stuff for AIP. Join our AIP calls. And they are just two brilliant persons, first of all, and then sellers and influencers. Thank you very much. And
yeah, if anybody has any interest in joining or starting AIP, like I absolutely am obsessed with talking about it. Just reach out.
okay, now we've done Brian and Tracy. I'm gonna remove it from my list here. Now we have a few more amazing giveaways. So I will save MSPs annually unlimited, like the bundle plan, to the end. Let's continue with Flash Pricer. So Flash Pricer is a multi-platform repricer for Amazon and Walmart. It's a great integration with MSP. We have integration in the inventory tool, and we have an integration in the Chrome extension and mobile app. And the reason that we have integration is because MSP is multi-platform, and FlashPricer is as well. Awesome. And I think they're the only one that do like a Walmart with like scraping. There is like behind the scenes a lot of like stuff with Walmart, and I think they are the only one who's doing like the hard way of repricing. Like I'm saying this in a good way. Like the more difficult to program this kind of stuff. Okay. And also soon we are going to have a webinar with FlashPricer to show how to use the integration with the inventory, with the mobile app, with the Chrome extension. And also anyone that, like we have one winner for 1 month of repricing free. But if you didn't win, they are going to give us like for the community, they are going to give us a huge coupon code. So once they give us this coupon code, I will send it in the communities, Facebook and Discord, join them. So for one winner for FlashPricer for a free month, you must say please to AI because then they will hunt you. Please pick another name. 3, 2, 1. Robin, congrats.
That's Robin.
Send me your email address in a DM and I will forward it to the FlashPricer team. All right, now we got VA Fastlane. So I talked with them recently and I told them about our webinars. One thing I forgot to mention, Multiseller Pro is a community tool. We covered this already. So everything you want, we build. It's a never-ending developing tool because if you want us to add, even if it's like a small feature on Keepa, small feature on the Seller Center, stuff like this, we add it. Because if you need this, probably other sellers or influencers need this as well. So everything you want, we will add. This is MSP, this is a community tool. In addition to that MSP is a community tool, also on our webinars, I try to contact other vendors, softwares, service providers, and I ask them if they want to give away something in the webinar. They get exposure, you hear their name, and they give away something to someone here. So this is a win-win situation. So VFS Lane offered a no onboarding cost. So usually they have like a VA per hour, you pay per hour, they have different plans. And once you want to start with them, they have onboarding and it costs money. So this onboarding will be free. One person here will get free onboarding. If you want, contact me. If you want, send me your email, send me your contact, and I will forward to the VA Fastlane team as well. Awesome. Also, soon we are going to have maybe some content with them. So stay tuned. Now, please pick another name. 3, 2, 1. The winner of free onboarding for VA Fastlane is
Ito, check your messages on WhatsApp real quick. Not to interrupt you guys. Owner. Whoever owner is just won.
It's me.
Nice.
congrats.
I don't forget. It.
Awesome. So I just got a message that VA Fastlane improved their giveaway. So they are giving away more. One moment. So we will do 2 VA Fastlanes. So now we will do another one that you will not have to pay the one-time onboarding fee. And also, you get free VA placement. Just have to cover the VA salary. Awesome. So we will need
Thompson's. Are you is Amanda there? I don't know if Amanda's there, but she could maybe touch on Carter's service just real quick on like what it is.
Hey Brian, can you hear me? Is this microphone working?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I don't have camera capabilities. I'm at home in my basement right now. I've had a VA through Carter for 2 years now, and I will say you get out of it what you put into it. Like if anybody on your team is, not performing well, that comes down to the owner, right? Whoever does the retraining, you have to fine tune people, right? Because anybody can be trained to source and all the things. You can even have them do like admin work. My VA from Carter, like this obviously I'm not pushing out an affiliate link here. So,
I
um,
literally just put you on blast here, so not even planned for.
my VA, I've had him for 2 years now. He started out with just sourcing. Um, that can get redundant after a while. So I wanted something else off my plate. He started helping out with repricing. And then I wanted something else off my plate. So I started letting him become a buyer. So now I have all this time freed up and he has given me back my life. So Ronald, my VA from VA Fastlane, is I don't even know, like the one of the biggest assets to our reselling company. Carter, if you have never met Carter, Carter is such a stand-up guy. He is one of the most genuine gentleman that I've ever had the pleasure of meeting. He is so helpful and wants to see you succeed. So he will go above and beyond for you. So I can't say enough good things about Carter and VA Fastlane.
Thank you for that, Amanda.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So it sounds like everyone that asked me how I create my clones, now you have an option. Right, so another giveaway, no one-time fee, no placement, just pay the VA salary and they will help you with the onboarding and the placement. So please pick another winner for VA Fastlane. 3, 2, 1. And the winner is Claude.
Keep, keeping us in suspense.
Imagine he says, me, I am the winner.
Oh,
Oh, look, congrats. Send me your contact and I will forward it to Carter. So we did VA Fastlane. Now live free or die. Amanda, would you like to explain about the service, about the prep center?
Sure. Thank you so much, Ito. So Live for or Die Distribution, we're a 100% tax-free prep center located in tax-free New Hampshire. We are the choice for OA sellers. So we don't have wholesale capabilities at our location. Happy to refer out if anybody needs any referrals, but we have a $250 sign-up fee to sign up with us. So we are waiving that tonight, and that's what we are giving away.
Thank you very much.
And how do we contact you if anybody wants to contact you even just for services in general? There you go.
It's in the chat. Thank you so much, Brian.
Nice. And also Instagram.
Don't contact me on
Ah,
Instagram.
fair enough.
I like to keep everything concise. Like, I want to make sure I have everything all in one thread in the email contact form from our website. Excuse me, so that I can always reference that.
3, 2, 1. And the winner is
taking a while. Katie.
Katie.
Congrats, Katie. I put the website right in the chat. You can reach out if you need a prep center. If you already have a prep center and you want to gift that giveaway, you're welcome to do that too. Thank you so much, Ito.
Thank you.
Thanks, Amanda.
Congrats, everyone. Okay, so now we are going to do the final giveaway for today. Yeah, final giveaway for today. Are you ready?
It's the best one.
So we are going to give away 2 cat pillows. Just kidding, just kidding.
Oh, everybody's like so disappointed.
I think everybody already bought them in the chat. They're probably sold out now.
We need to create MSP clothing for the cat pillow.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Tracy,
Like a
stop it.
hat, like a little t-shirt, little like, bed. Says Ito's clone on it.
Brian's gonna do a review.
There's no free samples on that.
Imagine if
So
somebody actually bought one to do it. That'd just be crazy.
usually when we do webinars, again, if you will go to multisellerpro.com/webinars, usually on the webinars we do surprise giveaways. On those webinars, the Seller Pro and the Influencer Pro, usually we do like 1 or 2 winners from the giveaways. So you really should come to the webinars. So on Seller Pro, we do live trainings. On the Influencer Pro, it's Q&A and how to use the tool and such. So also on those webinars, instead, like in addition that you get value, we also do giveaways. And those random giveaways, usually we have 1 to 2 winners, and they have 3 options: MSP hat, 50% off the annual plan, or 1 month for free. Now this is a special webinar, so we will not do the normal giveaway. We will do a special webinar giveaway. And today we are going to give away 2 winners, and each winner will get the bundle unlimited, which costs almost $1,000 for a year.
That's crazy.
And this is the price before we are going to raise it in 48 hours. Again, in 48 hours, the price for the MSP Unlimited will go up. The Influencer Pro stays the same, but the MSP Unlimited goes up. But bundle will go up a little bit as well. So you're getting the bundle unlimited for a year. 2 winners. Are you ready? I want to see in the chat. This is the last 2 giveaways for today.
And we still have 130 people on here. I appreciate every one of you for sticking around. I know you're probably here just for the giveaways at this point, but still, you stuck around through the entire thing. You're still here kicking it with us, and I appreciate you all for that.
Thank you very much for your time. 2 hours, it's a lot. We
Yeah.
really appreciate it.
Can 129 of you drop off before the drawing?
You need 128 because okay, 3, 2,
Claude, I'll bake you cookies.
3, 2, 1.
Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, please bully Claude for me.
So funny.
You know what? Should I take the list and move to ChatGPT or Gemini? No, let's stay with Claude. We trust him. 3, 2, 1. The first winner for the annual plan for the bundle unlimited $1,000 is I'm excited. Who is the winner?
Chat's cracking me up, guys. Karen,
Karen!
congrats.
Congrats, you got 1 year for bundle unlimited for free.
Amazing.
Send me a DM on Facebook, Discord with your email address, and I will give you the access. Again, it's bundle unlimited. You get multi-seller pro and multi-influencer pro. So if you haven't started AIP yet, now you have a tool for AIP for a year. So join our AIP calls as well.
100%.
The AIP tool got like 99% of everything you need, and the next update will make it to 100. The last winner for today. The last winner for bundle unlimited, the
Now,
annual plan.
everybody was a winner today, Ito. Everybody, because they can get this awesome inventory tool. But I know what you're saying.
Thank you. 3, 2, 1. Imagine if I lost connection now and I will just be out. And the winner is
You'd be on pins and needles. The last lucky duck of the night. Let's go.
Jason, congrats.
Were there multiple Jasons or just a single Jason?
The winner is the Jason without any additional things in. Yes, the one that said question mark.
Yes, good
Yeah,
job. All right.
you won the bundle unlimited for a year.
I'm a Jason. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Now everyone edits their name in the meeting to Jason. Everyone is Jason.
Oh no, that's chaos. No, no.
And to reiterate, you have the bundle. You now have literally all the tools you need to do AIP. Strongly encourage you to, if you're not already doing it, that is, of course, to consider doing it and to join one of our webinars. And I'm sure that between myself, Tracy, and Nate, we could probably spark interest into your thoughts on trying it out. At least the thought of doing it. There's some legit money to be made with AIP, and MIP, the brother of MSP, makes that super easy for you. So definitely encourage you to at least check that out. And that goes for everybody in here.
Don't sleep on it, guys.
Don't.
Yeah.
It's free money.
I'm in my fourth month of doing AIP, just kind of as a little pitch. My fourth month. And we're gonna do over $2,500 this month in our fourth month. And we're just like it's up and up every single day. So
It's not a get rich quick thing. It
no,
does take some time to get there, but it will live there forever. So Tracy's 2,500 will only go up as long as she keeps posting, and it will continue to grow. And you can also take time off. It can be somewhat passive. I took 6 weeks off, and I didn't lose any commission over a 45-day period. So it's real. Just take my word for it. Don't wait for proof of concept. It is real, and you should be trying it.
yeah, if you can't join us Tuesday, watch the replays. Like
Yeah.
there's so much value on those Tuesday calls. Same thing with our Wednesday calls. If you can't make every single one, watch the replay. Watch it on 2x, like speed. And then if you hear something, you're like, oh, let me rewind and listen to that slower. So, because we're on here a lot of times for multiple hours.
Yeah.
Because you guys have great questions and we have so much to talk about because just keeps building amazing things.
Hey guys, I've used MIP if anybody's wondering on that, and we're going to do 12,000 this month with AIP, and
Nice.
that's a large part
Whoa.
because of MIP.
Hey, Randy.
So better than Prime month. So we're going to beat it.
And Randy, how long have you been doing it?
The end of this month will officially be 1 year.
There you go.
So we did 300 our first month. Then we went up to, I don't have my chart here. Then we went to like 1,800, and then we jumped up to like 3,000. Then we stalled at like 5,500. Then we went up to 7. And we really, I can tell you, when we took the MIP, there's some other softwares out there, but the MIP features, if you're, most everyone here, I would say then is e-com sellers, the knowledge we have from e-com, we could combine with product research for MIP. I mean, we're just leaps and bounds. And the filters that Ito provided to do it just, yeah, was a game changer with, and simplified it. So on that one. So I highly recommend, if you're not doing it, the diversification of adding the influencer program. This is coming from someone that just came off a Fossley 2-week suspension by Walmart that they have admitted they messed up and they won't make it right. But again, it is, I can tell you, if anyone's getting into it right now, it used to be once you submitted your approval videos, it was taking 2 business days. We're seeing about 2 to 3 weeks turnaround now for approval, but still, I mean, it's just unbelievable. And we do it on the side. And the other thing, I should not even talking with our dollar amounts. We have for the past, I think we're going on 3 weeks now, where every single day we have sold free samples and profited over $200 every single day for over 3 weeks now. And then there's everything else that we've been given that we use for personal. So it's pretty
amazing.
stellar there. So highly recommend if you're going to be looking into the MSP, really consider the bundle program for the Influencer Pro, because it's the features are just, it is mind blowing. The income, like I said, we're officially surpassing Walmart now. Granted, we backed Walmart down after all their shenanigans, so it's been fun.
Thank you very much. So I saw a lot of questions about what is MIP. So Multiseller Pro is like the name of the whole software, the whole tool, the whole website. But inside Multiseller Pro, you have two parts, Influencer Pro and Seller Pro. So we call the Seller Pro MSP, we call the Influencer Pro MIP. So usually, if you will go to the homepage, you will see this split, Influencer Pro MIP or Seller Pro MSP. So under Seller Pro, you have all the sourcing tools, all the inventory tools, Amazon, Walmart, eBay. Influencer Pro, it's all the stuff that you need for AIP, for Amazon Influencer Program. And we have mobile app. It's the same mobile app and the same Chrome extension, but the features are different for AIP. So we have mobile app, Chrome extension, we have many features on page. And when you go to the pricing, if you're only a seller, choose Seller Pro and then buy the unlimited to have the inventory. And if you want to try to Influencer Pro as well, the bundle is both. So the giveaway that we just did is the bundle for a year. So MSP and MIP for the whole year. And this is the price now. In 48 hours, it will be higher. And two people got this yearly for free. And that's amazing. And again, you can use the code IDO30, IDO30 to get 30% off the first year. So if you do plan to start MIP and learn about AIP and learn about the Influencer Pro part of Multiseller Pro, join our webinars. Again, go to multisellerpro.com/webinars. If you have any question about AIP, we talk a lot there. Our webinars, they are mainly Q&A.
Hey,
At
real
this
quick,
point,
Ido, you ever heard the term like sticking around at the end of I don't know the term, but staying around to the end of the credits because you might miss something? Why don't
yeah.
we do another giveaway? Just to like kind of go out on a limb here. I'll
That's
do a done for you service for anybody that's looking to get into AIP. I will create everything for you. Well, not create it, but I'll basically give you all the tools and such needed. Yeah, pick me. All right. So why don't we do one more giveaway? Go back to the unique name list. I don't know if you'd have to add in if you're not in the if you're not in the call right now. You're gonna miss out. So
Yeah, like it had to be present to win.
yeah, I mean, this is like we'll just like literally like if you don't stick around to the end of the credits, you may miss something, right? Let's just do that.
So you're like the Avengers little app.
Yeah, let's just do a giveaway. So my what I'm going to offer right now is I have a done for you service where I basically will take your social media account. I'm not making one for you. I'm not selling them. You will give me your login credentials to a TikTok account. I then build up the engagement of that account for you. And then you'll be in my school group where basically I'll have all the tutorials needed to literally go from A to Z and up and going. I'm not here to scale you, but I will get you up and going, literally off to the races, making money. So that's what I'll add to this little giveaway here.
Thank you very much.
I charge
Good.
$350. This is going up to $700 in about 10 days. So this is a bit of a value here.
So we will be almost at 5,000. Should I do another giveaway for MSP to get to
Maybe.
5,000?
Maybe.
Well worth it, Brian. It'll be well worth it.
It is worth it because here's the thing with this, right? Is there's one angle of AIP that you will never need to know how to do once started. And that's the social media angle. And that's why I came up with the service is because so many people stop at the social media part because and I even saw in the comments, like, I tried to apply. I wasn't engaging enough. Like, I have it all figured out. I have a blueprint. I follow it. I have a team of VAs. We all get it done in record time. 7 to 10 days is usually about the average approval rate or acceptance rate. Now there is a two-part to this. There is still you have to do your 3 videos. I do not do those for you. You do those, but I'll still coach you through all of it. So, but I hate for people to like miss out on such an opportunity over social media because once you're approved, you never need to touch the social media again. Yeah, and Tim was one. I just got him accepted in just the other day. I actually had three people accepted yesterday, I think it was, and another today. So I'm pretty regular with this. I'm probably up to about 80 or so people over the last 9 months that I've gotten into the program. So let's go. Let's pick a name. You got to be in here though. If you're not in here, you're not winning. We'll have to pick another because I know that about 30 people dropped off.
Yeah,
Three.
Debbie, just reach out to Brian if you want to hire him. You can
Yeah, just
message
reach
him
out to
like
me.
in
My
Discord.
name's the same everywhere. Instagram, Discord.
Also follow us on Instagram. Instagram, it's less like updates. We don't do like big updates post on the Instagram. It's more like funny stuff and messages, like notes. So for example, we will post about webinars and we will also do funny reels. So every month on the 10th, we celebrate a month for MSP. So we had some really, really funny videos.
And we'll have some really great content when we're all in Vegas together
Yeah.
for the conference. So yeah, definitely join the Instagram.
So after the conference we have in Vegas, we are going to go to a little trip to have some fun, and we're going to do a lot of fun content. So follow our Instagrams to see everything. So this is an example for the Instagram, and every month we do funny post. For example, this one.
Oh,
What?
MSP is for months old.
So every month we do some funny videos, also some pictures of all the stuff from AIP. It's fun. So the winner is 3, 2, 1.
And on the off chance, if you're already doing AIP, we can rework this, but I really hope it's somebody that isn't because again, I'd hate for anybody to miss out on this.
Gina!
Gina.
Gina!
Congrats.
Gina,
Wow, that's great, guys.
let's
Are you
go.
already doing AIP or no?
I have never been able to get approved, Brian, because I'm in Canada
That's
and
okay.
I've just had so much trouble with this, but I do have a TikTok account, so
Yeah,
I'm
don't
ex
yeah, we'll talk after.
perfect.
For anybody that wants to hire me, just please do not be proactive and go making new accounts and all that. Like I literally have a full blueprint. So like she just said, I already have a TikTok. I'm gonna have her make a new one. Just don't be proactive. There is a
Not
process
a
to it all.
problem. So just reach out to you.
Yeah, yep,
Awesome. Thank you.
absolutely. I'm excited for you to try this again. Canada or not, you can do this from anywhere. There are some challenges with being out of country, but you can still, anybody can do this from anywhere. As a matter of fact, I encourage people out of the country to do this, but you're just going to do it with the US based Amazon.
Look forward to talking to you.
Yeah,
Thank you, Brian.
yeah, absolutely.
So currently we are at 4,700. Let's do another giveaway to make it a 5. So in the next huge webinar, we will have to even make it higher than 5. Let's set a standard here.
Behind you, Ito, I saw 5 more giveaways.
So for this giveaway, we will do 50% off for the yearly plan. So if you get the bundle unlimited, it's almost 500. The bundle pro, it's almost 350. So let's do 50% off of the annual plan. You know what? Let's do the usual giveaway. 50% off the annual plan, MSP hat, unique merch, or 3 months. So the winner is
Everyone in here is going to always stay to the end of the credits from now on.
Always.
3.
I mean, 101 people. Come on.
Everyone, it's getting late. Please go to sleep now.
3, 2, 1. Leida, congrats.
Is Leda here?
Let's see. Yes, I can see.
Congrats. Yeah, and anybody that's coming to ASD or Proven, we're gonna have a booth at the Proven area, which is adjacent or above AS. It's like all like right there together in the convention center. So definitely come by and say hello. Yeah, I think we're gonna have some type of merch possibly to give away if you come by and say hello to us.
And maybe even some coffee and lattes and
I don't know
latte
where
art
you're
of
gonna
some
do
sort,
that. I have
maybe.
no idea where.
I might be there making it
Yeah.
with
So
Ito.
we yeah, in Vegas at the end of August. So we will be at that conference for I think it's 3 days. 3 days of a conference.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lita, congrats.
Wait a minute. Is that the same? Is the Proven the same as ASD? Is that what you?
Two different conferences.
It's two different conferences in Vegas
But
at the same time.
they're being held kind of together at the same time. So
Is the Proven Amazon, or is that what you're referring to? Or when you say Proven, is that
Yeah,
what's
it's the Amazon one. Amazon
Okay.
reselling.
Okay, Proven Amazon course or Proven Amazon conference. Okay, and in the ASD.
yeah.
Okay.
They're in the same area of the convention center. So if
Okay.
you're there for ASD, you should be able to pop in and say hello to us.
Thank you. Sounds good.
Awesome. Thank you very much, everyone. It's almost 2 hours and a half, and I really appreciate your time. Last time this was 4 hours. I promised myself and Brian and Tracy like to not do it like until late in the night, but I have so much more to show you, and we will. We will show you everything. We will show you how to use the tool fully. We will do more giveaways, and we will have more updates. Go to multisellerpro.com/webinars, and you can sign up now for all the weeks ahead. Join us. It will be huge fun. And thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining today.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, everyone. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Sign up for next week's call.
There you go.
And another giveaway. Just in the
Don't be a team.
As 20 people drop off.
Giveaway Claude. Giveaway Claude.
Watch out, Ito. You're setting.
No, nobody's gonna leave, You just have to close the call because everyone's gonna hang on thinking there's one more.
You're setting us a standard though that we're gonna.
Yeah, people aren't gonna leave.
I don't even want to leave. I'm not even winning anything. I'm not logging out until you kick us out. I'm not leaving.
This really was amazing.
You guys are a great
though.
group. I love the sense of humor.
I'm here. It was amazing.
I mean, we're
Yeah.
literally here just to have fun.
Guys,
sometimes,
this inventory module, like to me, just there's nothing else. There is just nothing else out there for Walmart that does what this does. Like it's more than inventory because of the reporting and the reimbursements and everything. And like obviously I believe in it because I'm here, but like it knocks my socks off every time he turns around and like does something else. It's absolutely incredible.
I can't wait to have for Amazon as well. And then truly we have everything you need, and it will be huge fun.
Yeah, so Randy, you missed. You're gonna have to go back and watch the replay because it's everything. It's everything. It's your catalog, it's your shipping, it's your reporting, your costs, your suppliers, your income tax reports, your seller fulfilled orders can be shipped through here. It returns, reimbursements, it's everything.
So is it doing it by a bulk upload file to send it over? Since there's multiple, I know multiple of us are on Walmart has various different inbound shipping for everyone, or not for everyone, but I think there's 3 different, not just taking ITS and seller direct.
Yeah, you may want to talk with Ito. We may want to test on yours because I know you have something completely different than what I've seen. So we may need to get on the phone with Randy Ito and make sure that the workflow works for him.
I like mine. I do all my boxing ahead of time, and now I can do it matching boxes. I can do 4 matching with a 5th, but I tell them ahead of time what's in what and where,
It's different. It is different.
yeah.
I
We
really
can
don't
open
know
a call.
anybody else that has that.
Let's open a call and test it out.
Yeah,
So
I would like to actually see it. But
I
yeah.
hated it at first. I even wrote Walmart a really nasty. Granted, it was the day I came back from my suspension, and like 3-4 days later, now I am. I actually like it. Instead of I don't do single boxes anymore unless I've got them. The weight makes sense on the box, but my shipping costs. I'm back down to under 12 cents a unit on everything. I mean, it's just simplified, and I don't have to do ITS, which I can tell you, if anybody's getting pushed to ITS, I would think twice,
I know.
3 times.
Double.
I was one of the
Take
unlucky
the
ones
50%
that got
offer.
tricked into
Don't
it.
take the free offer.
I told the guy was like, you
Wow.
need to click and decline the offer. I'm like, I'm not clicking on nothing because I've
Yep.
had people that clicked on it and that put them in. I'm like,
Yep.
nope, I am not clicking on nothing. You go in and tell them I'm not doing it. Like, no way.
It's funny because I made a whole post about this too. Like, I literally got trapped into mine. I literally just lost it just dropped off my account yesterday when I did a shipment. I can finally now do split shipments, but
We got hit with it
horrible.
at Q4, and our contract we had to sign, the last 2 sentences even said, if we change the program, you can opt out at any time. And they changed it on us midway through. And I even talked to their legal team, and their legal team's like, yeah, we see that, but you're stuck in it.
Yeah, they won't honor it. They won't.
Wouldn't honor it. They would not honor it. And all my weekly Zoom calls with Walmart, going in there where nothing mattered. It's kind of like now. I literally got a phone call 3 days after my suspension, and an hour into the phone call, all of a sudden I hear them go, "Oh, we messed up," and they don't. It didn't matter. It doesn't matter. So,
Is LTS the same as like the Amazon's version of, like, what is it, the it's called
so you're going to ship to one warehouse,
yeah,
and then
placement.
and then there's actually 8 WFS warehouses. So most people are going to ship to Indianapolis, Plainfield, Indiana. Tracy, you can maybe help. I know there's 2 other main centers, but Indy's the big one.
Yeah, supposedly they're gonna let you ship to your closest one, but
there's only 3 that count for that. But then they will ship.
I don't do IT. I do split, so we ship to 5 locations with our ship.
Right. So then they send it to 8 warehouses. There are 8 WFS warehouses, but the problem is they have so few of people using the ITS system. It's taken 4 to 5 weeks to transfer your products. The other problem is during part of the transfer stage, your items won't show up on inventory in any report, so it says 0. They are not securely. They're just. I actually I get to go into one of the WFS facilities once a month, and have helped with some of their processes. And if you saw the way they shipped your items from there to the next place, you would understand why there's damages. But I heard something about reimbursements. I was getting ready to reach. I'm going to have to rewatch this all because the Walmart reimbursements I've heard is piece of cake compared to Amazon.
Yes.
So I'm not sure what I missed that. Again, I've got a lot to catch up on this call, but if there's a service here for that, I would say everyone also, that's another take advantage.
And Ito doesn't take a piece of the pie.
Wow.
Yeah. Big difference.
100% take.
Is it? But my question, I guess, is that so if you don't do the split shipments, then is it automatically the other option?
Yeah.
So
for most people, if you're not doing split, then you ship to one location and you're going to pay placement fees on every item.
That's the other thing. You have to pay. It starts at $0.25 a unit, and it goes up based on the weight and size.
Yeah.
So not only are you delaying 4 to 5 weeks of your inventory checked in, you're also paying them for the delivery delay. Whereas instead,
Okay.
it depends on your account. They're either going to tell you to, if you self-distribute, they're going to tell you to either go anywhere from 3 to, I know a lot of us now are 5 warehouses. I've told them, give me all 8. I want all 8. I'm like, I'll take all 8 warehouses.
If you ship enough product at a time, that wouldn't be a problem.
Right. But depending on which way you're on, so like I actually get to make my boxes ahead of time. And lately I've been making 5 identicals, and they just send 1 to each warehouse. Lately I've been, if I do 4 identical and then everything left over, they send my huge leftover boxes all to my local warehouse, and then they spread the other 4. But before that, and I think this is where most people are still at, you enter everything in. So you're going to send 20 of this, 50 of this, 100 of this, and you don't know what the split's going to be until you hit the button.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah,
could
but
be
with Ito's tool, you know in advance.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's awesome. That's awesome, because that makes a big difference.
It does.
Because
Yeah.
next thing okay, that's great to know. Because here's why then you should get the program. Because if you don't, next thing you know, you find out, in my case, I'm in Indiana, you're literally sending 3 units to California and 4 units to Atlanta or whatever. And it's like the cost is so astronomical for that small box in relation that you're just like, and then if you're like me, I have preppers, you're trying to plan that out. But that's awesome. If Ito's software is giving you that info, that in itself is huge right there to
Yes, it is.
Let
I
me
am.
show you.
I don't even know if I'm going to bed tonight until I watch
I'll be shipping in an hour. So I'll be on it.
Let me just show you a quick preview.
Yeah. And the other thing about ITS is when your first shipment gets checked in, can you please mute? Thank you. When your stuff gets checked in at the first warehouse and then they distribute it, it disappears from Walmart Seller Center. It like evaporates until it arrives and gets checked in. So there's no way to really track where your inventory is. Like it is on Amazon, you can see like FC transfer. On Walmart, it's just like, hey, we checked your stuff in. Poof, it's gone. Oh, hello, now we're back. And so people get freaked out because they're like, where's my inventory? So the ITS process is just, they need to do a lot of work on it. So
or do you think you sold a whole bunch?
Yeah.
And you order more.
Yeah, that too. So you got to be really careful with it.
There's a scary part in that also. I learned the hard way too, that also you can be receiving orders too at that same time, which is kind of freaky too and scary when that happens. Yeah. So
yeah,
I get it.
Let me show you a quick preview how it looks like.
Caught it.
One moment, I will share my screen.
You may have to mute everyone again, Ito.
Yeah, done. Let me show you how it looks like. Let me do a quick preview. One moment, I will share the screen again. Okay. So for MSP inventory, we have a catalog. You can see your entire catalog, profit, ROIs, everything you need. You can change stuff, edit stuff, leave notes. It's crazy. The catalog is amazing. Batches listing, you can add seller fulfilled, add WFS items to a batch. You can also create new listings. Everything is in one click. You can use exist listing, one click, create new listing, 2 clicks. So it's very easy, very comfortable. You can see that if you have shipment split, you can see the shipment split while you're making the batch, print all the labels. It's amazing. Orders, shipments, you can create shipments, buy the labels, print the labels, everything. Orders, again, buy the labels, ship with Walmart, acknowledge. Very simple process. Everything is 1-2 clicks. Returns, it's just showing you all the returns and option to refund. Reports, everything you need for reports. You have inventory valuation. Restock alerts, if you're about to get out of stock or you recently got out of stock, you have restock alerts. Seller fulfilled not zeroed will show you items that you got seller fulfilled and WFS stock. So here it will show you all the items that you need to zero the seller fulfilled. P&L report, everything is like bar charts, line charts. You can select time zones. You can select specific stuff. I forgot to show in the webinar, so anyone that is still here will know this now because I forgot to show it. SKU specific report. If you're going to click on a SKU anywhere on the report system, if you click on SKU, it will show you SKU specific report. How much units you sold for this SKU over time, how much money you made from this SKU, how much stock you have left for how many days, like SKU specific report. Sales tax report for a month, quarter, and such. Supplier report, storage report if you need to remove some stuff that just stayed there over a year. Expiring inventory report.
Hey, Randy, expiring inventory report. Randy does grocery like I do. I mean, not that it would matter for you.
All three of my items that they were actually my items that they hit me with the violations, not counting the inventory they gave me. All three have now came back, and all three had anywhere still from 6 months to 2 years of shelf life left on it.
Yeah, but this expiring inventory report, like you can run that.
That's awesome.
Discount things, try to sell through them before they hit that 30-day. Because I didn't track that outside of anywhere else. So like
I didn't either. Heck, that's another feature, man.
Yeah, and you would have been able once you got.
I've been asking for this for my Amazon listing software.
You'll have it for Amazon in a little bit, but like, so like you would have been able to like look at that case and those items and know right away like what the expiration was on them. Not that it would have made a difference. I understand that. But,
so mine came down to, it looks like they actually entered my dates at check-in wrong. And then also the inventory Walmart's giving me, they are giving me Walmart's expired inventory. Like I have emails and everything.
Those rats.
I have emails from them confirming it was their own, not even another third-party sellers, but actually Walmart's inventory. And they're still doing it. After my suspension, I've now received 40 units already since then. So it's like, anyway, continue, Ito. I'm sorry. I can go all night on this vent.
And for the reimbursements, Walmart does not have like an API that we can file the reimbursement for you. But we're going to do everything else you need. So we are going to show you all the shipments that Walmart lost inventory. Why I say lost? Because we take only shipments that they received less than you shipped, and we are going to show you only shipments that are closed. So now you can file a support ticket. So here we will show you everything you need for reimbursements, and we will tell you how much money Walmart owes you. The moment you see this and you are ready to file a seller support ticket, you are going to click on Get Evidence. It will give you a quick link to the seller support and will generate a full message, professional message about what they owe you. So for this WFS shipment, at this date, it's currently closed, I shipped it there, blah, blah, blah. Those are the items that I sent, I shipped 24, you received not enough. All the details are right here. I delivered on this date. Those are the items that you lost. This is the amount of inventory that you lost. This is the estimated sale value for those. Please give him my money back. Copy text. You open the ticket and then you click track this case. The moment you click on this, it will move to tracked cases. And here you can see how much money Walmart owes you that you already filed the case and how much resolved and how much money you made. And again, we don't take like any percentages out of it. It's yours, 100% yours. And the moment that we will have MSP inventory for Amazon, same thing for Amazon. We will try to have the same like process for everything, and also reimbursement. Hopefully they have API for it, so it will be less steps. But this
You're
is
going to put reimbursement companies out of business with this without taking a fee. Like that's bananas.
There is no reason to take a fee. Like it's not costing anything to MSP to give you the data. So.
Randy, I don't know it off the top of my head. You can do as many as you want. Walmart doesn't tend to care. But they just changed that policy of how far you could go back. I'll try to find it because it would be good for us to maybe even put the policy here, on how far you can go back. So I'll find that in the terms of
Yeah,
service.
that would help. Sorry,
Yeah.
that would help. Because I was going to ask how far could you go back. I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of time.
Yeah. Please, if I forgot to add something, just send it to me and I will add it ASAP. This is the goal of MSP. Just let me know what you want me to add or what I forgot to add and I will add it.
It's you can't file any sooner than 10 days from the date it arrived. So like once it arrives, you have to give them 10 days and it has to be filed no more than 50 days after the arrival. So that's not even 2 months.
15 days.
So maybe we can like highlight the ones that you could open cases for.
So between 10 and 15. Between 10 and 50.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah.
By the way, I added another feature to the order tab, the orders tab for the seller fulfilled. If I identify 2 orders from the same person, but he did different orders, I will just highlight it to you. So you know that this one person just did 2 orders, but different like purchasing. So all those kind of stuff, just let me know and I will add. So I will do the 10 to 50.
Hey, Ito, the inventory section, is it live for everybody or is it after we get off the call?
No, it's live.
Yeah, someone's saying they don't see it and they have the unlimited
So
plan.
refresh the page and then you will see it right to the dashboard, right here, inventory. I do see some heavy load right now. Like I have like dashboard, I see we do have some heavy load.
Everybody's on.
So if you have error message, just try again like in a few hours, so the load will slow down. But it doesn't supposed to fail. Like you can do everything. Just everyone's syncing right now, and the sync process it's a little bit heavy because the first time you're going to sync your account, if you will go to dashboard, you will see here that we need to sync your catalog, inventory, and orders. The first time is heavy. It's like 5 to 6 minutes just to sync everything. And now everyone syncs at the same time this heavy load. So this is the only thing. Just let it run and it will be good. And then every day it will take like 1 minute to sync.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Giveaway or we end up the call?
Give away a hat. Like,
Give away, give away, give away, give away, give away.
Okay, we almost got to 3 hours. Let's do another one of the hat, a 50% annual plan, or 1 month for free.
Gotta stay. You gotta stay.
Last one,
There's
but that's
45
it.
people here. You can't not do it.
You have to stop me. Eventually, I will give away MSP.
No, you won't.
Okay, so for this one, let's do a questionnaire. Question. I will ask a question. The first one to answer, I'm looking at the chat, will get the prize. So everyone, go to the chat, ready to answer. So the question is, what item did I created for Walmart? What item did I created for Walmart and we laughed about it? Lawanda, congrats. She just wrote meow cat.
Yay!
Congrats.
You got to be fast with the fingers on those questions.
Oh, yeah.
She could have
Send me
even
idea.
said cat and still won.
She thought so fast, so she
That was
like
fast.
"Hey, it was the animal meow a cat.
Brian, you are not lying. Like you have to be so quick. Like how
You must
even
have
got
like
2
an
syllables
ultra
in there.
fast computer and internet.
Let me find out Claude was on her payroll.
Yeah, the cat that makes the nightmares tonight. You are correct. The thing is terrifying.
All right, everyone. Thank you very much. It was an amazing webinar. Hopefully soon we will have a similar webinar for the MIP, the Multi-Influencer Pro. We're going to have huge update as well there. And see you next week.
Thank you,
Bye-bye,
Ito.
everyone.
you.
Thank
Have
you
a
very
good one,
much.
guys. See you.
Thank you, Tracy. Thank you, Brian. And thank you to everyone.
It's for real now, guys. Go away. See ya.
I'm not leaving.
Yeah,
I'm sticking
no.
around for any giveaways.
Away.
Yep.
Done. We're cutting them off. No more.
Good night, everyone.
All right. Have a good one. Good night.